Alrighty, we're back. Monday. If you are not already subscribed and liking the stream, what are you doing? What's wrong with you? Make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss any of this beautiful, amazing, chiseled jawline, white teeth, gorgeous face. Just don't forget, Don't forget. Subscribe! Alright, let's go. Let's do it. Chat. We got YouTube chat. We gotta make that smaller. Minimize this. Keep that open. There's so much that I gotta have ready for our live streams. And then we're gonna get the Kick chat up because we're now on Kick, if you did not know. What up, Patrick? How you going? How are you going? Put that down. Gift one sub to take first. What? Gift one sub to take first. How do I do that? I'll gift a sub. Can you gift one sub to yourself? Can you do that? Maybe. I don't know. What the fuck? Sienna already? Thank you very much. Download Kick. It's going, that's for sure. Fantastic. How are we today? How are we? What is the when we get some more people in here, we'll talk about weekends and fucking everything and trading. We just got to get people to, you know, trickle on in so we can start having some fun. Sienna, oh, here we go. We already got sticky with the heart, man. Sienna with 22 more fucking roses. What the fuck? Thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot. I appreciate it a lot. All right, what do we got? New rewards. So anything that I did have now no longer exists. Fuck! I do have a tier 2 though, I'm surprised. This is what I was looking for. What do we have? 1,600 minutes of daily views for 6 days this week. That means that I have to live stream for 6 days, which is not going to happen. And what are they even giving me too? Another 18 roses. What the fuck? Sienna. Oh, we gotta do a match. Oh God, why TikTok? Use co-host for 5 minutes. Oh my God. 5.5k diamonds. That's like 5.5 fucking galaxies. Good fucking morning. What up, Dean? How are we? It says gift. I might gift a sub. I don't know. I don't know what's going on there, but I might gift a sub to someone. 35 average concurrent viewers. We should get that. Get 20k minutes of views. Should get that. Live on 6 days. Right? 330. Oh my God. I gotta go live. That's a lot of fucking thingos. Live for 1,000 minutes. Yeah. 165,000 likes. We'll hit. Oh, not today actually. What the fuck, TikTok? And it's trying to make me stream for 3 hours too. Oh yeah, now you can sub on your channel. Sweet. So there's like a button there or something. And do you know why we got such a high bullish push on pound yen and pound CAD? And gold, no. Pound is just getting railed at the moment, so I'm not surprised. Holy fuck. See, it just keeps going. Yo, what up, LJ? Aliens with mullets, what up? Afternoon, how's your weekend? It was fucking pretty good. I'll go through it in a second. Is the music and everything alright? It's really fucking loud for me. Is it right for you guys? Sweet, Dean. Sweet, we got it all set up on Kick. Gift me, remember me? I do remember you, yeah. Yeah, we'll talk about the weekend in a second. Meegsy reached level 11. 2 donuts, dude. 56 fucking roses and 2 donuts. Holy shit. What the fuck? Hold up. I forgot the essentials. Hold the fuck up. What is wrong with me? Hold on, I'm gonna turn these lights off too. Give me a sec. Oh, I forgot the essentials. You already know. Get in me now from every direction. Weird pink boxes now? No. Nope. Green! Yeah, I'm fucking green for once. Green and black. Sienna with more roses. What the fuck? Jeez, I'll come back to that in a second. What's the menu today? What the fuck, green? That's big. Yeah, I know. Crazy, eh? Crazy. What's wrong with me? Hold on, let me get this up as well. Sweet. What up on YouTube? If you're on YouTube, how are you? Let's go. Dylan! Shirley, Red, Crooked. We're fucking pumping the follows already. Thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate that a lot. What are the top 3 websites, apps you would recommend? Financialjuice.com, forexfactory.com, and MetaTrader 4. Yo, how do I start? Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Go watch the free course video, and that'll get you started. Apple, okay, thank you. Pylon, thank you very much for following me too. I'm 15. Can you explain day trading to me as if I've never heard anything like it? Okay, it's buying and selling financial assets in speculation that it's going to go up or down. So you buy it at a certain level based off of a strategy that either you've developed or you copied off someone else, and it's either going to go up or down. Thoughts on gold? I don't trade gold, but I can have a look at it in a second. I sold big time. Bitcoin has gone up 18% since I sold it. Has it gone up more? I wouldn't be surprised with tariffs and shit. Yeah. Holy fuck. Bro, no one saw that coming. Like, come on. That is absolutely fucking insane. That is absolutely insane. How? Where is the money coming from pouring into this? Crazy. I rug pull family of 4. Good job. Oh shit, we got 43 fucking people in here already? It's been 7 fucking minutes. Hello? What the fuck? Hey, we take that bar. We take it. We'll chuck the flare on too. Get it fucking going. Let's go. Sienna, 41 more roses. Thank you very much. Thank you. Is that energy drink? Yes. I'm caffeinating at 7 o'clock. I want to get started with trading. What do you think is the best to start with? Just pick one. Like, are you talking about instruments? Like what you actually want to be trading? If you do, just pick one. I've been doing Forex for 5 years. Why would I switch? I mean, I didn't switch. I added indices to the portfolio, but yeah. MT4, why the old one? Because MT5 sucks. What are you doing? Trading. When you're hitting 10K, it's going to go up. 10K, what do you mean, when am I hitting 10K? Super slow? What do you mean by that? Are you talking about 10K followers? Where do I go? Like what website? I'm not too sure what you're talking about, Nick. If you want, you can message me on Discord. I respond to everyone on Discord. And Discord's linked to my bio, so. What the fuck, green? That's big. Yeah, I know. To be honest, got absolutely fucked because randomly it started to be super bullish and there was no news. well, there's been lots of news about a lot of shit. Shit. Mr. Beanie 14, welcome. Called it. Are you talking about Bitcoin? Probably. People be hoping and dreaming real hard. Good morning. People don't be, to be honest. There's no such thing as fucking like, because everyone's just engrossed in their fucking phones and everything. It's like there's no real hope and imagination and stuff. Try to put your phone down and having a fucking thought. Your brain goes a million miles a minute. Is market green or red tomorrow? Depends what market you're talking about. If you're talking about something like the indexes, probably red. What up, B? How are you? What's going on? What's good? What's good? Green. Kick link here. Hey, it's not even showing up. Oh, you want me to put the kick link in? Hold up. I'll chuck the kick link. I am now on Kick. And I think I'm going to be gifting. Ah! There's the Kick. Green. Only the Irish sees everything. I'm Scottish. Do you have a channel teaching? Yes. I have a mentorship program. Iris? What? Oh, Iris. Right. It's 4 a.m. here. Where are you at? US or something? No. Shit, it's my Damn, am I the only one here? Alright, alright. We got Apple user in Kick. Thank you. Oh shit. What up, Kick boys and girls? Australia, yep. I read every single comment too, so just give me a moment to get through everything. Off topic, but opinions on XRP. I don't really have any opinions on XRP, to be honest. Like, I really just don't. I don't look into it enough. I don't look at the fundamental side of things enough, so I just don't really have any views on it. Thoughts on Casper? No idea. Look at the viewers. Holy shit, that's the biggest gifter level I've ever seen. 42. Let's go Macca joined with a 42 fucking gifter level. Never seen that before. Look at the viewers. Great time to rug pull. Yeah. I'll just start dancing. Oh gee, I thought this was Will Gibb. I get that a lot. I'm the original fucking Will Gibb, okay? He's a poser of me. 74 viewers, yeah, we were up there. Khaled and Sydney Repair Centre and Caleb Cooper. Thank you guys very much for following me. I like your swearing. Followed. See, some people like it, you know? It's just what I'm like. Thoughts on Casper? No idea. Dreams and hopes. Bitcoin movement. Yeah, I figured that's what you're talking about. Talking about people, though, dopamine is beyond cooked nowadays. Yeah, 100%. Common Sensei is dead. And G Up Media. Thank you guys very much for following me. Why are you trading Forex when Bitcoin is 122? Because I have Bitcoin, but I don't particularly care about trading crypto. I just don't. I do well on this. It doesn't mean that I have to go over to crypto and start fucking with crypto. XRP briefly hit $3. Did it? Holy fuck. Where's ETH at? It's rolling up. Alright, we'll go through my pairs in the morning. G'day. Just started crypto. Any advice? Crypto is scary. You have a fucking no clue what it's going to do. Absolutely no clue what it's going to do. And just be careful in crypto because it's very random. Hello, Sienna. How are you? Boys, I'll be back to Kick in a second. Where do I find the mentorship program? It's in my bio. Link's in my bio. It's the top link. How much do you make a day? Daily, I don't really pay attention because it's so different every single day. That is actually insane. How the fuck do you get to 42 gifter level? Altcoins going up. Which indicator is best for scalping in blockchain trading? No fucking clue. Any advice on trading crypto? It's not. Fuck! We're getting so many crypto bros coming in here. Fuck! Literally, when crypto, this happened last time, crypto was pumping and everyone was like, crypto, 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 and then crypto dropped and you didn't hear anyone talk about fucking crypto. Do you copy other traders? No. Buy memes, trust? Nah. Please don't get into Forex and start as leverage. 98% of accounts die from that. Yeah, they do. Yeah. Mine didn't. Sienna with another fucking donut. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's scary, but I'm up 70 bands today. Nice. Fucking hell. Good job. User, thank you very much for following me. Fuck, Sienna. Holy shit. Thank you. It's day one on the move. ETH bro 3K. Animal spirits broke. Thank you. All good. And that's I like it. What? I'm so confused. It's the beginning of a 12 months trend in alts, supply demand. Do this time only Bitcoin is running. Tell me what you're doing, please. Trading currencies. Since you know nothing, I'm out. Okay, I just what? No, nothing. I don't know shit about crypto. Fucking sue me. Jesus. Thank you. 69 roses. Thank you very much, Sienna. I appreciate it. That's fucking huge. You've given so much already. I really appreciate that. What the fuck? I keep thinking you say me. Yeah, I know. We got 2 Siennas now. But it's the other Sienna. I'm new to trading. Last week made 3K and lost 8K on futures. I was stressed out. Advice. Yes. You're probably doing a lot of things wrong. I'd go back to the drawing board. Are you trading live capital? Like, are you doing prop, live, or demo? You're doing Forex? Yep. Leave it to the experts. Add lock-in, mini, bongo, and MLGT list. I have no idea what the fuck that even is. Learn what hedge funds do. Lol, if you want to beat the game, you have to beat them. No, you don't. What was this? Hold on. Trying to read something. Crypto. Oh, fair enough. Why did the chicken cross the road? Why? All right, let's go to kick. Sorry guys. Sorry. There was just so many TikTok messages I had to get through. But I should be focusing on you guys because you guys are on the proper platform. Well, my country, yeah, unfortunately, the beautiful shithole called UK. Well, my country isn't that good either. Finland looks pretty fucking nice. My mate was just there. Sorry, guys, sorry. What are your taxes like? I mean, 22 versus 70 plus is understandable. Yeah, sorry, it's just the messages were just spamming through. I would say average tax percentage is like 30 to 40%. Ouch, yeah, then again, high taxes do not live in an English environment. Sounds too good. Yeah, that's true. Well, if you live in Helsinki, you wouldn't like it unless you're drugged or addict. I live in a little town, so it's calm and nice. That's good. That's good. Yeah, my mate was in Helsinki. Like a week and a half ago. Thank you very much for all the gifts again, Sienna. It's fucking nuts. What's your strategy? It's a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. No, I don't know why chicken did. Fair enough. Uganda, okay. To get to the App Store, download Kick. Yes, thank you. Patrick fucking pulling through for the Kick. I'm probably going to start giving like a gift, fucking subscription or some shit away. So get the fuck on Kick. I almost went live on the weekend on Kick, which would have been so bad. That would have been so bad. Mark, thank you very much for following. How was your day? My day was pretty good. Same shit. Woke up, worked out, went to the shops, bought about 5,000 of these. And yeah. How do you start? As I said before, join my Discord, watch the beginner's video. DCA for day trade? Sort of. Like it's kind of, it's hard to explain. And I don't particularly day trade. Like sometimes I can get in on a day trade, but the majority of the time they'll be days to weeks, so swing. You have any cars? No, I just sold this piece of shit old Volkswagen, so you know, got rid of it. My Pagani Huayra is on the way though. No, he has a bicycle. And Notch, thank you very much for following me. And the desk chair, yeah. Woo! Woo! There you go. See you later, Sienna. Thank you very much for tuning in. Gotcha. I'm asking a genuine question. I don't know this man. Yeah, bicycle. Bike ride everywhere. Priscilla, thank you very much for following me. How is everyone's weekend? I want to know how everyone's weekend was right now. I want to know what you guys did immediately. Immediately, I want to know what you guys did. We're 21 minutes in. We've already had 736 people fucking roll through. You're doing pretty good. It's so nice. I think that's just about any urban area. Don't forget about the Lambo till. Still waiting to get it back. Like TikTok clock's ticking. Yeah, I know. I'll give it back to you soon. I'll give it back to you soon. While they're lonely, I'm just here for the gits and shiggles. Yeah, boring. Man, my heart hurts right now. Is that weird? Holy fuck, so you have some 311 fucking coins already? What the fuck? They're 30. Holy shit. Thank you. Yes, give me weekend. Fuck, I want to know about it. Which pair is this? Pound US dollar. If you know, you know. Work for the weekend. Lost my V card again. Again? Would you like switch teams for the weekend or something? Hit gym and still stuck on my ex. Ooh, okay. Still stuck on an ex. Gym's good. Get fucking diced. Just get lean. Like if you're not lean, just get lean. Get chatty. I don't know how good looking you are, how ugly you are, but if you're ugly, get lean as fuck. If you're good looking, get lean as fuck. And just, I don't know, just go out there and fucking have fun. My puppy got de-sexed, so I did nothing besides cleaning and watching him. Fuck, that sucks. Welcome. You hit fucking member level. Oh God, my heart. Why is my heart hurting so much? Then last week I hit gym again and still stuck on my ex. Brother, just... I mean... There will be... I don't know if it's your first breakup or some shit, but... You know, when you break up with someone, it feels like the end of the world because it's almost like they've died. I find like it's similar to someone dying because a lot of the time you're just never going to see them again or never going to talk to them again. So it's like, you know, someone that you've cared about so much is now dead. But relax, you're going to find someone else and you're just going to have the same feelings again and it's going to be all good. You're a flop, bro. Yes! Thank you. Thank you. Come on. Come on. We got one. We got one. We got one. We'll come back to this guy in a second. What are you trading in crypto? No. And I'm pretty sure you just said I was boring, so I'm not going to just respond to you anymore. What did you use to learn about trading in stocks? Never done stocks. I used multiple different mentorships, courses. I did the entire Baby Pips course and 2 years of failing before. It's been almost 5 years now, but 2 years of failing until I kind of got the hang of things. And a week before, just repeat. That's all right. What's your take on XRP? I have no take. And week before, okay. Shagsy Wizzy, thank you very much for following me. XRP, I'm JP, just had to throw something unhinged out there. Yeah. Play me in chess. I played a little bit of chess before, but by no means am I well versed in chess. Caveman Fantasy, thank you very much for following me. Bet I'm buff right now. Now start taking... Don't do that. Do not do that. How old are you? Beige666, thank you very much for following me. You're a flop, bro. Yes, I love that. Where'd he go? Is he still here? Can you talk some shit? It's fun. No, I feel you, but mind you, we broke up 3 years ago. Hey, it happens. It fucking happens, trust me. How can I start? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and go watch the Trading for Beginners video. Just a 1 hour video on the complete basics. And then you can either come join the mentorship, you can go look for your own strategy, or, I don't know, come have a chat to me. How's gold looking for long? Let's have a look at gold. Let's have a look at gold. Man, this is the thing. I got to start learning gold just for this shit, eh? Because I have zero clue on how gold reacts to anything. Never really traded it. Honestly, don't really have much interest in it, but, you know. I'm going to have to get well versed in it. How long did it take you to be profitable? How much did you lose in the process? That's a fantastic question. So I was demo trading for 2 years. So it took me it was about 1.5 years till I found my final mentor who changed my perspective on trading in general, right? And that's when I became profitable. So I was doing all the typical retail mistakes and trading a very retail-minded way, and was losing and losing and losing and losing and losing, and I didn't know why. And then I found him, and, you know, things changed. But it took about a 1.5 to 2 years till I was profitable on paper, and then I put my money in after about 2 years, and then it was pretty much just uphill from there. Download Kick, thank you, Patrick. Can you give 5 points on how to trade correctly on day trading? God, 5 points. Well, the thing is there's so many different ways that you can trade. That's a hard one. I'm gonna come back to that. I'm 18, gonna be 19 in 2 months. Oh, you're chilling. Tom, say hi to Shorty. What up, Shorty? What up, Shorty? Bro, my heart hurts, eh? Alright, sorry guys, gotta read the Kick chats. Heart hurts while sipping a Monster. No, you're good, bro. It's not a Monster. It's a Flying Power, white. It's basically a Monster, but it's not. It's better. I hit a new on of how many crayons I can... Oh my God. Jesus Christ, I can't read that out. Trade good and in return feel good, hence creating a portable pencil case inside myself. What the fuck? I love Kick. I should make a rule: if I lose money, I don't eat or drink, but if I win, I can eat whatever I Bro, fuck TikTok taking our chat. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I reckon it'll affect your mentality too much. I kind of like being hungry and being angry, if it makes sense. Same. That's why I like don't eat until like 2 a.m. in the morning. No, I think it will make me mentally stronger. But then again, that's my opinion. I have a rule of not drinking, celebrating until I become profitable. Yeah, I do remember that. I do remember that. Drinking alcohol. Yeah, I had 90% win rate in the last 2 weeks and I was so gassed. Yeah. Why'd you pin it? Because it's funny. How do you find or pick stocks to start trading? I do not trade stocks at all. So I don't know. I trade currencies. Thinking of trying drop shipping? I wouldn't. Check out Mara. I don't know what that is. Geechee Boy 843. Thank you for following me to learn more. What? Silver better. Okay. And I don't even know where to start. I would just like to know where to begin. Yeah, go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Birchop with the Heart Me and the Go Popular. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very, very much, Birchop. I appreciate that. And then Sienna with 8 roses. Thank you guys very, very, very much. I appreciate that a lot. Bro, just go watch this. Go watch my Trading for Beginners video on Discord. It's free. And that'll give you just a good insight on the basics. Oh, shit, I gotta catch up. Where'd you meet this mentor? I gatekeep it. How do you find or pick stocks to start trading after you find 60? Yeah, sorry, stock's not my thing. Leonard, thank you very much for following me. Download Kick, thank you. Just invested 3,500 in Bitcoin, about to be rich or really fucking broke. I 3x my portfolio since Sunday. Nice, good job. How would I even start? What do I need to know before joining? Oh yeah, just said that. Tim Davis, thank you very much for following me. Where can I start an account to begin trading? Again, that's all explained in this video. If you guys want to message me as well on Discord so I can run through things after the stream a little bit more in depth, I do recommend that as well because I do respond to everyone on Discord, and it's a little bit easier to do that after as well. Where did you mean? I just said that. KDM, thank you very much for following me. Party. We are having a fucking party. We're having fun. Okay, we're having fun. Is Webull reliable for trading NASDAQ? I've never used Webull before, honestly. So, not too sure. Alejandro, thank you very much for following me. What do you think about TJR? I don't know, man. I don't know. I just don't know. Like... I just don't believe or trust anyone on the fucking internet that trades, to be honest. Even though I am now one of them, I just don't. Like, I really just don't. And the fact that he made the majority of his money from crypto, not trading, it's like... I don't know. I don't know. Bro, if I did that, I'd look like ancestors from 1940s. Polish roots, by the way. You know, the prisoner in Aladdin? I would look like that. No? Prisoner in Aladdin. Oh my fucking god. That's pretty funny. Fuck, that's bright. We'll go through some news and we'll go through everything shortly. How do you think I can meet good mentors then? Events? You just found one. But maybe, yeah, maybe. You're probably better off there than the internet. How much have you made in total trading? I'm not going to say that. How much did you make on your best night of trading, if you don't mind me asking? No, I don't know. Like, so I'm more of a... I'll explain my strategy soon. Let me just go through these comments and then we'll go through what pairs I'm in. How can I have a good market analysis and risk management? We've got to develop your market analysis and risk management. So depending on the strategy that you're using, we'll have a certain amount of set risk management rules, and your analysis will come with time after you see you know, different fundamental news events affecting the market in certain ways, and, you know, basic stuff like support and resistance happening over and over and over again, your analysis will get better and better. So a lot of that does come with time. TGR isn't a trader anymore. He does just about anything but trading. Yeah, I don't know. How do you think I can meet good... Oh, yeah, I answered that. I may not send a whole lot of gifts, but level up for me. Birchop is the #1 gifter. 76 streams watched. Got to be the most. 1,542 minutes of lives watched. And she has sent 454 gifts. I'm pretty sure you're #1. Which chart are you using, sir? MetaTrader 4. Okay, I gotta hop off. Girl getting mad. Good night, chat. Good night, Tom. Latest, Patrick. Thank you very much for the promoting the kick. I appreciate that, and you have a fantastic evening. It was good to see you again in here. It's not letting me join the Discord. So when you go to the link tree, when you go to the link tree, open it in an external browser. Open the link tree in an external browser, and then it'll let you join. Where can I look to learn to start trading? The Discord. Go watch the free video. Bzzz. You can also do like baby pips, but fuck me, it takes a long time. Kellen, thank you very much for following me. School. Yeah, that works. I can't join Discord. Did you? Yeah, open it in an external browser. Sorry, guys. G4OZT, thank you very much for following me. Tyre Manozil, thank you very much for following me. So, what do you guys how long do you guys reckon till we get fucking 5,000 on TikTok? Tucker Fritsch, Fritsch, thank you very much for following me. Let me go to Kick. Self-promo Glaze. Me? Why would they want to know your mentor if you teach just the same shit? I don't know. I think Tom to say some market maker with 18 PhDs and the creator of the banking system. Yeah. I mean, but the thing is, everyone trades differently, really. I don't trade the exact same as my mentor did. It's very similar, but it's a bit different. That's what the chat expects you to say. Maybe. I don't know. How are we doing on Kick? Where is everyone? We need more people on Kick. I need to promote it. I haven't even put it in the fucking Discord yet. How can you know where to is TP and what point is stop loss? Well, it depends on your strategy. Your strategy is going to have a different TP to almost everyone else. And you got to look for key levels in the markets. So I'm going to go through my positions now, and then we'll go through some news too, because there's been a lot happening with Trump and everything. So this is more of the boring stuff that is more important, and will probably drop off in viewers, but that's okay. Alrighty, so as usual, screenshot of my position so we can go straight to them instead of piss farting around. Alrighty, so we're in a big position. Let's go to my account. We're in a pretty big position in Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar that I'm yet to determine what I'm going to do with. I think I'm going to leave it on because we're not in that much drawdown just yet. But we get overall drawdown, we're in 7.4%, but 5.5% of that is made up of this one position. And we're in fucking 22 trades total. So we got 1, 2, this was just unfortunately bad timing and not being able to get out right when the interest rates held instead of being dropped, which is what everyone thought. And this is what happens when there are shock decisions fundamentally, is the market will tend to react and not react well. So we're in 6 positions right now on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just waiting for some form of a retracement, which will happen eventually. But, you know, we've got some room till that potentially might happen. So there's nothing here for us to pull back on, right? So we could be looking at these levels. So we've still got a long way to go. So I am suggesting that this may take another week to week and a half to climb up to here before we get our retracement, right? And if we can get up to there and get a few more positions in, we could be looking at a nice 50% retracement. Typical like flag break, which would be around 23.6, would be up to last week's high, but I'm not too sure. No, we probably could. So if we got an additional 2 positions on this, and then we did actually climb all the way up to here, which is a big if we don't get that pullback, because this is a parabolic move at the moment, that would be a fantastic trade to get out of at last week's high here. So if we can climb up here and put in a few additional positions over the next week to week and a half, we should get a nice pullback minimum flag break. And if we get a bigger move, you know, 50% retracement and the back up, you know, 50% retracement will be almost to these highs here. So I can't see this pushing down just yet, but it's possible. And I particularly don't really want it to push down to here just yet either, because my TPs are here. If we're bouncing off this level here, which we're most likely going to do, as there is a bit of resistance that would most likely turn into support, that means that I might actually take a loss on this position, because I don't want us to get a drop and then have to stay in this for even longer, because then I'll get swap fees and everything that I got to deal with, and I don't really want to fucking deal with that. So I'd probably take an overall loss in that position. Unless I got in aggressive here and manually entered a position to try and get back down to... Get back down to here and then push our break even. I just don't know. It's a fucking difficult one. So anyway, that's the only one that's really shit at the moment. Besides that, I mean, we've made 6.4% this month. We're doing pretty fucking well. This is the only other... I mean, we're only in 3 positions on this. What are we, 3 or 4? No, 3. This is nothing. I'm only in 1% drawdown in this. I'm happy with this. Very happy with this. So we got 3 positions in. We're holding at last week's high for now. So we're holding at last week's high. We may bounce and come back down. If we go sideways this week, that would be nice. We can drop down to last week's low, take out my TP in the process, maybe get another long on US dollar yen, and then off we go. What else do we have? Aussie dollar CAD. I was in profit on that when I first started the stream, but let's have a look. Yep. A bit more profit now. We had a drop. I don't want to take that just yet. We're in 2 positions on Aussie dollar CAD. Obviously, we're having just massive movement on all Aussie dollar pairs due to the interest rate decision that they made, which is fucking annoying. So we've got a little bit of a flag break at the moment. Whether we can get all the way down to here to take our TPs, we're not too sure. We've still got news to go through, which I'll go through shortly. It's a bit of a difficult one. We do have Canadian CPI. However, with all tariffs and everything going on, it's like, what the fuck how is the market going to react? How is the market going to react? So it's very difficult to predict where we might go. Pound odd. This is a fantastic trade that I've been looking at for longs. We are obviously in it long, but this is really nice, this one here. We've got last week's low. I believe that's monthly low. Just a fantastic long that I could benefit from quite a bit if I chuck these TPs all the way up at last week's high. But the pound is getting smashed right now. So again, not too sure, especially with tariffs and everything. This is obviously being driven by the Aussie dollar rate decision as well. That's why we've got a lot of New Zealand and Aussie dollar pairs. Pound New Zealand's pretty much the exact same. Not going to go through that. It's virtually the same. Euro pound. I probably should have gone through the news first, to be honest. This is just fucking absolutely parabolic. But we've been going sideways for the last week. We just broke through last week's high. So parabolic, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've been in like a million fucking pairs. I mean, positions on this. Just in, out, in and out. Perfect fucking made shitloads on this. And now we got another short. We're up at last week's high. Maybe we can get back down, but as I said, pound's getting smashed. It's very weak at the moment. And I presume that's probably because of, what was it, PMI figures that came out as a drop 2 weeks in a row. So, 2 months in a row. So, quarterly, if we get another drop quarterly, that's going to be a technical recession for the pound. So it's very weak at the moment. Pound US dollar, where are you? Fuck, I'm in so many. But it's all, there's all just two, like I'm in no drawdown besides Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar. I mean, this one's in profit at the moment, just pretty much break even. So obviously push down, pound, typical, we know what's happening. We're kind of hanging around last week's low. If we can break out, it was almost like a break and retest at the moment. If we can get a little bit more of a push up to these highs, I'm out. Cash in the bank. Done. Worry about the next pair. Pound Swiss, the only Swiss pair that I'm trading at the moment. We're in longs on. Thank you guys for following me. I'll go through everything shortly. We're in a single long. Bouncing off of last week's low at the moment. Not seeming like we can really hold the breakout of last week's low. So again, pound's weak as fuck at the moment. That's why we've got so many extensions and so many buys on pound against the pound, because it's so weak and we get in on the reversals. Pound CAD is the second last one. Let's have a look. What do you want me to fucking say? This is a good one regardless, right? We're super extended on pound CAD, massive drop. So this is a great opportunity for us to potentially get in. However, over the next coming days, we could potentially drop even further down to these levels, which are monthly lows. I think it's a 3 monthly low and a monthly low, and that would just be fucking absolutely fantastic to get a couple of trades in to build a position. I would love to see, if we don't get this straight take profit, I would love to see us build a position over the next week or so down to these monthly lows and just hopefully get a really good pop out of there if the fundamentals allow it. Get a really nice pop off of there, and then we've got a big position to play with. We can potentially get a pretty good home run trade on that if I decide that's what I want to do. And then New Zealand dollar CAD, pretty much the same as Aussie dollar CAD. So yeah, there's not really much more to go off of that. It's pretty decent. If we pop down to last week's low and pump up again, we can, and that would be nice. But again, CAD news coming up, so yes, So let's have a look at the news. Again, CPI is coming out for the Canadian dollar tomorrow night. This is interesting, right? And the inflation figures. So they're expected to hold year on year, month on month, expected quite a significant drop down to 2%. I don't think we're going to get down all the way to 2%, 0.2%, to be honest. I can't see us having that big of a drop. We obviously have the US inflation figures coming out as well, CPI. Their expected slight increase year on year and month on month. We shall see. There's stuff going on with Powell potentially retiring as well, or leaving, which is just fucking not good, because Trump wants to drop inflation figures by like 2% like that, right? And it's just not possible. And Powell's the only one that kind of really, tells him how it is. And the fact that he wants to leave that position, there's rumors of him leaving that position, is going to be quite interesting to see what happens to the US economy if Powell gets replaced, because who's going to replace him? How much power does Trump have to replace Powell with someone that's just going to listen to him and be like, okay, sure? Which I don't think is a good idea. So, yeah, that's interesting. We got Bailey on Wednesday, 6 a.m. I'll be falling asleep at that time, so I won't be watching that. Look at the highlights later. CPI as well for the pound. PPI for US dollar. We got some Aussie dollar news. If we could somehow get some negative Aussie dollar news, that would be fucking fantastic. And the employment rates expected to hold. We got some retail sales, unemployment as usual, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the week. I've been yapping, so I don't particularly really want to go through all of this shit and what's happened on the weekend. Obviously, Trump has decided to throw his fucking tariffs around. It potentially might just be a threat. We still got 2 weeks till they're meant to kick in. I believe it's August 1st when they're meant to kick in. So we still got 2 weeks. Whether or not he's gonna, he's fucking so bipolar with his decisions that he might end up just basically retracting what he said, like he did before with the fucking tariffs, and just wipe him out again. But he's getting people talking about it, so that's what he wants. We'll have to see. We'll just have to see what happens. This is going to be really difficult, and it's going to be, yeah, here you go. Trump, US to impose 30% tariffs on EU, Mexico from August 1st. Trump, 50% copper import tariff said to include refined metal. It's just, he's putting tariffs on Canada too. I don't know the exact, what he's doing. Trump on Canada tariffs, I think it was fairly well received. I can't remember what exactly it was. But yeah, he's putting tariffs on everyone, and it's just, so from that news, that's why we've had such a big gap down on indices. So it's actually not as big as it probably should have been, to be completely honest, but we have a big gap down. Potential, what it looks like, I didn't see this earlier, I thought we might get the gap fill. Looks like we're going to get it. So we'll probably get a gap fill on the US indices if some of them have not already. Dow Jones has not gap filled yet, but we'll probably get a gap fill on all the US indices today. The UK indices were really bullish today. Yep. Very bullish on the UK indices, or the Euro in general indices. And then you got the fucking Joe 30, which Actually, that didn't do much. That didn't do fucking anything. Right. Okay. Fair enough. Well, UK was extremely bullish today. So that would have been a fantastic day for our potential new strategy. Or my old one, but yeah. We'll have a look. Alright, sorry guys for yapping like a fucking absolute monkey. Here we go. Let's get back into it. Yo, what up? Monuver. Alright, kick first, then TikTok. Oh my lord, you guys have been fucking busy. Let's go. I love that. Kick's going off. Sort of. You should become pregnant low-key. That'd be hot. Oh yeah, of course we don't split. Yeah, definitely not. No, okay. I can't say a lot of this stuff. It's really annoying. Okay, I literally cannot. Okay, I can read this. Tom, today I identify as a fair value gap on a 4-hour time frame on GJ. Please respect my pronouns. I can't read a lot of this shit. W race. Fucking hell. Yeah, but if you're seeing the positive straight away, it's definitely a good thing. It is. I'm not even mad, sad. I'm just disappointed. It's a good thing to think of the basis of a relationship for it to be a positive relationship. If you guys aren't on fucking Kick, you guys gotta go over there and just look at this shit. We got some gifts too. Birchop. What the fuck? Birchop with 4 heart puffs, 2 love you so much, 1 you're awesome, ice cream cone, TikTok, GG, Rose, and then Sienna with 9 roses and another 15. Thank you, Sienna, and thank you, Birchop, so much. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. We're going off today. We're kind of popping off. We're kind of popping off. Birchop? What the fuck? Birchop with the level up sparks. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Exactly. Yeah, because you don't read the chat. I can't do that. Nah, Tom's a woke-ass fairy. What the fuck? TikTok censorship has the man by his balls. Come on, okay? What the fuck, Birchop? The level up sparks and 23 roses. Let's fucking go. Let's go. I appreciate that a lot. Alright guys, I'm gonna go through the follows and then I can't read all of these fucking chats. So if you're gonna go through Sienna with donuts too, God. Alright, so Black Steel. Holy shit. Thor with the fucking Night Star. Holy shit. Holy shit. Bro, what the fuck? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What the fuck? You guys are popping off with the gifts today. Holy shit. That's good. I mean, you guys know that I don't particularly like the gifts, but TikTok's making me get 5,500. Okay, the follows. I'm gonna go through the follows. Fuck, we got a few. Holy shit. Black Steel Guard, Kiko, Anti-DP, MM Penny, J Queen, Average Joe, Someone, Hello It's Me, Nickname, Rhino, thank you guys very much for following me. Nick, thank you very much for following me. Easy, thank you very much for following me. Cody for you and Rob, thank you guys very much for following me. Birchop with a fucking hat and a mustache. Stop it! Guys, what the fuck? Birchop. Thank you so much for the hat and the mustache. Easy. Cody Few, Rob, Rich, thank you very much for following me. I'll read a couple of the comments. Hey, how does stuff like this even work? Like, what do you go in starting with and what's the average profit? My average percentage is about 7.5 to 8% per month of my account size. Is this shit hard? Once you get the hang of it, it's not that hard. What time does Forex market gets really volatile? Whenever there's news, really. 60K and up on demo. Hey, that's all right. H-bar, what you think? No idea. Guys, thank you so much. Birchop, Thor, fucking Sienna. Jesus, you guys are going crazy. And look at our overall viewers as well. So we've been struggling, right? So TikTok has only been giving us like 700 viewers, total viewers within an hour. We just hit an hour and we've had 1,900 people come through. You guys are doing something right. We had 27K likes too. Jesus. If you miss the bull run, don't buy. Wait till it drops. Yep. Thanks for being patient with me, mate. Oh, bro, of course. Like, it's like, oh shit, I didn't even see you message me. I'll read that in just a second. It's all good. Like, anytime. It was just last night I was a bit I was a bit brain dead. I was like trying to think. Like, I just wasn't all there. And that was fucking silly of me, and I apologize. But it looks like you might have figured it out. I'm not too sure. I'll read that in a second. Time to go short. Yeah. Rich, thank you very much for following me. Still shilling Forex. Shilling. I don't know what that means. Shilling? What pairs are you trading? I trade 18 different pairs. I want to learn this so bad. Fantastic! Get the fuck in the Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Open my link tree in an external browser and jump in. Heliosphere, thank you very much. Hey dad, what up son? Read it later. Alright, all sweet. All good. You got it sorted? Fuck. Yes, let's go. Heliosphere, Nico, King David, Ali, Afak, Sarwar. Thank you very much for following me. Got sorted. Mad. Thank you guys so much for all the follows, all the gifts, everything. I think I'm gonna give. How do I gift a sub? How do I gift a sub? I think I need to gift someone a sub on fucking. Hold up. I gotta make sure you guys can't see. Okay, you're on the right fucking thing. I gotta get my card details. Hold up. Give me 1 second. I'm gifting a sub on Kick, so get the fuck on Kick. What pair is this? This is New Zealand or Swiss. Get that off my... Get it out of my fucking face! Get it out of my face. Is it bad that I'm going to this? What? Ryan, thank you for following me. Thanks. All good. What pair is this? This is now pound New Zealand. Tony Girthing, thank you very much for following me. Top three, what? Top three what? Top three what? Alright, if you're not on Kick... No. Hold up. I'm going to put the Kick link. Get on Kick. Kick's going to be so much more fun. We're going to have some drunk fueled streams in the next coming weeks, which is going to be fun. That's going to be fun. Is 1K a good sum to start with? Yeah, that's not bad. That's I mean, honestly, I'd probably want to start with maybe 2 or 3 if, you know, for the majority of people, but that's fine. hey, you don't just randomly reach out to people, do you? No, there's lots of fake accounts of me, so be careful, guys, be careful. What's your biggest profit? It was on US dollar yen in 2023, November, on the Japanese intervention here. I was on a fun account, caught an absolutely astronomical fucking move, and did pretty well. What do you think of gold? I don't really have too many thoughts of gold. I'm gonna give some people a couple of minutes to fucking trickle on into Kick. Jaim, thank you very much for following me on Kick. Make sure you guys are trickling on in there. And I'm gonna give away, I don't even know how much subs cost. Like, I actually don't even know, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Get on Kick. If you're not on Kick, get on Kick. Because we're going to have some fun in there. And the chat, I mean, the two guys that just spam the chat, they have some fun. Fuck. I'm going to repin this shit again. Hold on, can I just copy this? Copy. Jump on Kick. I don't know how much the fucking subs cost, but I'm going to do it. I tried to find you on Kick, but I couldn't find you. That's the, it's just Tom Anderson Trades, one word. Can you tell your strategies? Yeah, I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. If you go on Kick, you should be able to replay it. Okay, card. Oh, that's easy. The fuck? What do I do this gift thing? Like, what? I don't know how to, like, do I allocate it to someone? How does this work? Surely some people know what fucking, how Kick works. Crazy Child 192, thank you very much for following me on Kick. How do we do it? We got 6 viewers. Let's fucking go. Let's go. There you go. Found it. Sweet, sweet. Can I not do more than one? I don't know how. Okay, I'm just paying now. I don't fucking know. Am I gifting it to myself? I don't know how this works. I don't know how that works. Oh man, we're gonna have so much fucking fun on Kick. W, you got it? You got it? Mad. I'm killing you. Why? Why are you killing me? What did I do? What did I do? I don't know, I might do some more in a second. We'll see how many people we get over to Kick. If we get enough and I'm happy with it, I'll do another one. Evening, what up? Sorry, what do you think of gold? No thoughts. Euro USD, let's have a look. Am I in Euro USD? I don't think I am. No, I'm not. We're bouncing off of last week's low. So what I would maybe do with this, if you're looking at, oh shit. Oh, this is a hard one. Because we've been grinding for ages. I would see if I would wait till we get a breakout out of last week's low to go short on that. I did have a short on at last week's high, but I got out of that pretty quickly. I had multiple positions on this, no? No. So, no, I did. I was in this for a while, so I had a few positions. It doesn't show in here, my positions, because I had to restart the VPS, but I had a few. We got out. I think it was here, actually. We got out here with profit. I can't actually fucking remember. And then we came back up, another position, down, profit, done, money in the bank. And then we had another position on Thursday in long, and we got out of that. This is a 4-hour chart, so it doesn't look like that, but yeah, maybe a long if we potentially get a sideways week, but again, with euro tariffs and fucking everything, it's like, who knows where we're going with this. We have a freak off on kick with oil. Don't be shy. Okay, I'll come back in a second. I use smart money. Fair enough. How many hours time frame? I use 1 hour high time frame and 5 minutes for lower time frame. I won't go to fucking kick. That's fine. Don't. What are the basics I should look into when getting into this kind of thing? Maybe I should put my kick chat here. Oh, fuck. No, I can't. That's annoying. Look into just basic shit like support and resistance, why the market moves, basic fundamentals, stuff like that. Is there like a school online I can do to start from square one? Yeah, you can do the Baby Pips course. The Baby Pips course is like from the beginning and it's free. Kick is the best platform. I kind of fuck with it, not gonna lie. Yeah, buy my course for $200. I don't know if you're being serious. I hope not. What is the best USA stock to buy right now? No idea, don't do stocks. Pape, thank you very much for following me. You've proven success stories from your courses, respectfully. You have to? You have proven success stories. I do. From my mentorship. Only trade SPY and SPX options, but I'm trying to build on futures for more trades through the day. Nice, nice. I'll never understand how this becomes a job that consistently pays the bill. Well, that's the thing. That's the thing. You need to, like, not every month you're going to have, you know, it depends on your account size, obviously, but if you don't have enough capital, it does become a bit of a stressful thing where there's some months it won't. You start by making more than your day job. What type of computer should I buy when starting? Doesn't matter. Nah, not really. It depends what programs you're going to be using. So I use MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 uses fucking no... Holy shit, we got 12 viewers on Kick. All right. Do we still have 12 viewers? All right, mad. We're gonna give away another what are they called? Fucking sub. We're gonna give a sub away on fucking Kick. We're getting some people in there, and if you guys don't want to miss the fucking drunk streams, all right? Because I'm a psychopath when I drink. So it doesn't really. So MT4 uses no computing power. Jim Vision, thank you very much for following me. Anything will be fine. Most use their phone. Do not use your fucking phone. Do not use your phone. I was asking, you do have courses if I'm starting from square one. Yeah, well, the thing with my mentorship is I try and make it more one-on-one. Like, I want to get in calls with people. I want to be step by step with you. So if you're starting from the beginning, we start from the beginning. If you're starting from, you know, a very advanced position, we're gonna go from the advanced position and build from there. All right, let's go. Let's have a look. Let's have a look on Kick. I cannot read that. There you go, found it. Welcome, child. Your real name is Daniel38. Mad. You can. Sweet. Okay. Can I choose it? Can I choose who gets it and who doesn't? To be honest, I think Tom should just give 50 subs. Nah, gift me, bro. I don't know. It would be Dean. It would be Dean. Shroud on Drew. Yeah, I know, dude. Yeah, I know. Or the African heart. I mean, me and Mick will do everything so you get banned. And it'll get forced to prioritize kick. It's business, yeah. Baby Pips course is highly recommended for beginners, yeah. Yeah. It's just fucked. I did the whole thing. It took fucking months to do. Gifted sub, think so. There's some other things that I want to do on kick, right? So anyone that's in here, anyone that's in kick right now, comment so I can make you guys like OGs. Okay, and I can do that. Community. Roles. VIPs. OGs. Okay, OGs. We're gonna do Mick. Oh fuck, I gotta look up the whole thing. Mick Sikora. Add. Mr. Dean. Alright, anyone that's in kick, you're getting this OG badge. Young Grubs. We're probably going to lose all our viewership on TikTok while I'm doing this. Sorry, I'll be back on TikTok in a second. Young Grubs. And if you're like an OG on fucking TikTok, just tell me who you are and I'll do it. Crazy Child. Crazy Child 192. Ryan 5523. And oh, that guy's been here for one Lee Byrne. Shit. Young Grubs, Crazy Child. Okay, you guys all should be. Is there anyone I missed? Young Grubs, Crazy Child, Mick, Mr. Dean. Hello, hello. Click my profile. They say that when you can gift to specific people. I don't know how. I'm clicking on it. It's not doing anything. Wrong, Mr. Dean. Was it? No, it was you. I gave you the OG badge. I don't know what that even fucking means, but I did it. Scroll up on Kick. Be careful linking your Kick if you want to stay on TikTok. They'll ban you. Really? Oh, I won't do that anymore. What's in my bio? Just wondering in terms of the grid bots that I've seen on your channel. Yeah. Do they work more in volatile markets or less volume markets? Volatility is good, right? So what we want, fuck, I haven't heard someone call it grid in fucking forever. What we want, right? Because we can mean revert and we can also trend reversal trade, right? Now, what happens when things go wrong? So let's have a look at Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar right now. What was your even question again? But it works in both types of markets. What becomes more difficult is when there is a significant fundamental shift and we get these huge, just parabolic moves and we get stuck in a position. And there are ways that we can get out of it, and I teach these ways in the mentorship, but right now I'm not concerned. And this is a huge fucking fundamental shift. This was the Australian dollar interest rates being kept at 3 point, fuck, Jesus, was it 3.85? My God. $3.85. Fucking hell. Instead of dropping to 3.6, they kept them at 3.85, and that caused a significant fundamental shift. So now we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions, right? Holy shit. Hold up, I'll come to that in a second. And we basically just wait. So that's a trending market. Now, if it's going sideways, we can capitalize off this by getting into positions just over and over and over again, just reverting back to its mean, because remember that Forex spends 70 to 80% of the time in a range, and we capitalize off of that. Holy fuck. Will Clark with a finger heart, hat and mustache, a perfume and a rosa. Holy shit. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate that a lot. I really appreciate that. The fuck? Oh, yep. I see the OG badge now. You might have to refresh or something. Or claim it or something. Oh shit, 13 viewers. We got 13 viewers on Kick. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Dude, I don't know if you guys know or saw the message that I sent in Discord when I was like absolutely blackout. I said fucking, I deleted it pretty quickly, but I was like, fucking blackout Kick stream right now, who's in? And then I don't know how long it was there for, to be honest, but I was absolutely fucking smoked. And bro, fuck the sub. Let me be only OG. What do you mean? I don't know, just maybe refresh it or something? I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works. Like, bro, I've used Kick like 3 times, and those 3 times have been when I fucking when I've done this. Bro, I don't even know what my Kick looks like when I'm streaming. Alright, I'm gonna gift another sub to Kick soon. Soon. If we get a couple more viewers, we need a couple more viewers, and then I will. So that trend should start to fall soon, yeah? Well, so I mentioned this a little bit earlier. This Aussie New Zealand dollar, I think we're going to be in this for maybe a week to a week and a half before we get our pullback. That's just my personal belief, is we've got a little bit more room to get up to these levels here before we start seeing a significant drop. Back down to potentially these levels here. So I still think we have a little bit more room to go in before we get a pullback. Wait, why don't I see your badges? I don't know. Like, what? I gotta make sure that I did this right. We got some followers. Let's go. Let me go through. I'm Young Grubs. Mad. Thank you. Thank you again, Will Clark, for the fucking gifts, bro. I really appreciate that. And because all FX pairs go through periods of different volatility, how does your bot deal with this? Did I explain? I'm pretty sure I explained most of it. Andrew followed. Thank you very much. What are you trading? Forex, currencies? What was your biggest loss, and what did you learn from it? It was a fuck up. It was literally a fuck up. So the way that my trading is very low risk, low reward. So I don't usually have big losses or gigantic wins. I usually just get constant small wins, just every day. Small win. My biggest loss was on the indices when I was trading the indices, because I traded the indices for about 1.5 years, and it was last year, the end of last year, and I left pending orders on. Walked away for a couple of hours, came back, and the market had crashed. And they were big orders too. And yeah, it fucking hurt. I was like, I can't, and it was just kept going. I was like, fuck, can I get out of this? And it just kept going and kept going. And I was like, gotta cut it. And what I learned from that was don't leave fucking pending orders on. I didn't think they were. They weren't meant to be there, but yeah. It was annoying. Is this guy calling me a clown? I love that. Please show me your face. Okay, this guy just looks like super unhinged, so we're just gonna leave that guy alone. What up, Will? Thank you so much for the gifts, man. What up, Christian? Digital Smoke, Cars, Alex, thank you. Lawrence and BDD, thank you guys very much for following me. Can I ask, do you need a PC for trading or can I keep doing it on my phone? Highly recommend at least a laptop. At least. Thoughts on Solana? No thoughts at all. I don't trade Solana. You need lots of liquidity, lol, cash. Yeah, if you want to do it full time, absolutely. You should sell when you saw that first red candle. When I fucked up. What are you talking about? Is that your full-time job? Yeah. Can I get 250 when you're a billionaire? Yeah. Yeah, sure. How long are you trading? How long have I been trading for? Almost 5 years. Is that Cyrillic? Where are you from? Okay, let's have a look. I gotta check. Okay, we still got 13. Oh shit, we got some young grubs. Thank you for following on Kick. Zed Hat, thank you very much for following on Kick. All right, are we gonna do another gift? What are we doing? Are we doing another gifted sub? I don't know what the fuck I'm even doing on this. Roles. I got VIPs and OGs. So let me just make sure I've done this right. So Crazy Child 192 is there. Yep. Mick Sakura is there. Mr. Dean. One Lee Byrne. Yep. Young Grubs. Yep. Young underscore Grubs. Yep. Ryan 5523. Alright, I'm gonna do a gifted sub on fucking... How do I do this again? Bro, I have like so many things open right now, I can't even fucking keep up. Where do I do it? I don't even... I'm testing the gift anonymously. I don't know how this works, bro. I don't know how this works. There's no, I click on who gets it. It's just, oh, Thor's here, mad. Oh, bro. Oh, that's funny. Bro, how do I give it to Mr. Dean? Yeah, that's rough. That's rough. Serbia. Nice, nice. Average weekly income? I don't tell people that. Bro, I'm already getting people hit me up for money. It's like, you fucking kidding me? What are you trading on? MT4. Curiosity Lab, thank you very much for following me. What do I do with Hedra hash graph right now? I don't know. Hey bro, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week and remember to be kind to yourself. Thank you very much, bro. You too. I really appreciate that. Fact, you were first to know this is Cyrillic. It's crazy. Добро пожаловать. Я немного говорю по-русски. Do make over $10,000. No comment. How you doing with trading right now? Fantastically. Do you make over $10,000? What, a day? What type of trading? Day to swing, yeah. Bro, that emoji's so funny. 7 a.m. swapped quite a few session lows and then had 5-minute breaker into one. Oh, sweet cheers. Dean's getting scammed. I'll just go fuck myself. Mick, let me hold your crayons for a bit. Polish. You're Polish? Mad. Bro, how do I gift it? Like, I would like to gift it to you, but I don't know how. Like, I genuinely don't know how. There you go. Let's go. You're welcome. Enjoy the subscription. You think you make 5 to 10% of your balance if you're doing well? Yes. Yes. I'm at about 7.5 to 8% per month. I'm new to trading. How do I start? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Open the link on an external browser, otherwise it might not work. And then go watch the Trading for Beginners guide. Bare minimum basics. Bullish reversal on what? Veggie Stone, thank you very much. Veggie Store, thank you very much for following me. Could you tell us what you're looking at for the analysis? Right now, we're not doing shit. We're not looking at anything. How much money you need to have to start trading? My recommendation is a couple of grand, but you can start with less. Is TGR's bootcamp worth it? No idea, probably not. Tade, thank you very much for following me. Okay, Chill Vibes, thank you very much for following me. Is it IBKR? I don't know what that is. Buy or sell? Buy or sell what? Give your card deeds to Tom and he'll pay for it. OMGW, let's go. Thank you, Tom. All good, all good. Tom, when's the first crayon? Jesus, what the fuck? Be making money on Kick in no time. I don't know what the exposure is like on Kick. I really don't know what the exposure is like on Kick. New team member, welcome Dean. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna make Thor and OG. How do I do that? Thor, thank you for following me too. We got 17 followers on Kick now. I like that. And if you go to Kick, you got a bigger screen as well. You can look at a lot more. I'm going to have to make a subscriber badge. I'll do all this shit after. Actually, I'll do this. Wait, fuck. I gotta make sure. There you go. You get the VIP badge. Thought. That makes more sense. Interactive broker. Is that the broker called Interactive Brokers? Is that what you're talking about? If so, no. If it ain't crypto, don't bother. Ain't nobody want to invest 150k to make $150. Sure. What time does American market open for Australia? I think it's 11:30 right now. Changes all the time, but I'm pretty sure it's 11:30. I haven't traded open in fucking forever. Take on XRP. Honestly, don't really have a XRP anything. What do you think about Schwab? I don't know. What? What is that? What is that? Is it good to trade it with Renault? Bro, what is chat right now? What trading platform you use? MetaTrader 4, and my broker is Black Bull Markets. Hi there, I have no idea what's going on, but I'm here to learn. Fantastic, welcome. Stefan, welcome, welcome. Any questions you have, throw them through. If you want to join my Discord, it's free. Does it cost a lot to start trading? Well, you have to invest capital, so yeah, it depends how much capital you have. But you should be making money from that capital, so, I mean, been trying to add your Discord, but your link isn't working. Yeah, so open the link tree in an external browser, and then it should work. Do you trade stock, Forex, or crypto? Forex only. For you for life 2022. Thank you very much for following me. Well, I just started. I want to try a simulator first and learn basics. Absolutely. I highly recommend doing that. That is, you pretty much got to. Alexis, gotcha. Oh, sweet. Sounds good. Cheers, legend. No worries, bro. If it's still not good, just let me know. Like, if you still can't get in there. OMG, is this Tom? Oh my God! Tips for beginners, I'm about to get a funded account challenge. Don't do that. Especially as a beginner. Prop firms are there to take advantage of beginners who don't know what the fuck they're doing. No, just start learning first. I tried a couple of years ago and got scammed so much. Olivia, thank you. Actually, like what Olivia said is actually true. That's probably what I should have said, is you can open, so when you're doing all your education stuff, you can do all of that completely free. So you can open up an account, you can get a broker, like an account with a broker, you can load up the charts and you can start fucking around with different stuff for free, basically on the live charts, but with demo money. So paper, it's all virtual money. Do you think it's too late to buy in on Sophie? I don't even know what that is. Why are you not on MetaTrader 5? What's the difference? Well, I developed a Expert Advisor, which is a trading bot, and I developed it on MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 5 is obviously an updated platform, but it just breaks all the fucking time. Like, I know some people that have gone to MetaTrader 5, algorithmic traders like me, and then they can't stand it because the bots just start fucking up and when they come out with new updates, and it's just buggy, and they've got to do all these fixes when they come out with new versions and shit like that, and it's just not worth it. MetaTrader 4 is fucking fantastic. It works fucking perfectly. T. Durden, thank you very much for following me. Guys, come to Kick. Don't be a woke human and start living life. Yeah, I love that. I love that. Yeah, jump over to Kick. Links in my bio too. What's the minimum amount of time I should spend practicing on a paper account? Well, I did for 2 years, so it's subjective to everyone, you know. Alexis, thank you very much for following me. Tom Anderson Trades, thank you. That is my Kick username. You on gold? Nah. Okay, thank you guys. All good. That worked. I'll start watching your video. Thanks, man. All sweet. No stress. NVIDIA analysis, please. I don't trade stocks. Sorry. My Blackwell said 24-hour review. It's been 4 days since I handed my documents in. Really? By any chance, did you use my link? Because if you did, I can talk to my partner manager and we can try and get that sorted, because that's fucked. What are you waiting for in your screen? Are you waiting for something? Nah, we're just chatting. I'm already in a bunch of trades. Can you message me on Discord, please? Just message me on Discord. Say that it's you, and then I'll message my partner manager and fucking they'll sort it out. Or I'll at least ask him. Thank you. I'll show you the exposure. Fucking. I can't read these messages on fucking Kick. I can't read them. I'm gonna get banned on TikTok. After that, we need, bro. You built your own bot? Yeah. Tom, go look on GJ, the 5-minute look at the London Open. You can't even deny it doesn't work. I won't stand for it. I'll have a look. London Open was fucking when? Fucking 3.5 hours ago. Right? Am I tripping? Bro, it's not working. I can't even remember the fucking strategy, to be completely honest. Oh, you do the fuck. Oh. Wait. Apple user? Bro, you use fucking liquidity fucking breakout fucking... Whoa, what do we have here? Bonza! Thank you very much for the heart, me. I've watched a couple of your streams recently. They're pretty entertaining. Obviously, I don't spend it... Holy fucking shit. Ow. Sorry, bro, scared myself. Holy fuck, how many did you just send? 4 handouts? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, that was loud. Thank you so much. That's a lot. Hope you've been well. Bro, thank you. I have been absolutely fantastic. What is with the gifts today? We've been getting pumped with gifts. Man, I really appreciate it. Thank you. As I was saying, I've seen a couple of your streams. I don't spend too much time on fucking TikTok, but I have seen them for a little bit. I think I tried to comment on one of them and it deleted my chat. I don't think I'm allowed to comment on people's shit. It's really weird. Bro, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Brokey. What have I missed? I'm in the Discord, remember? Yeah, can you just message me? Just so I remember to do it after. Sus Medina, DJ Collector, Astronaut, thank you very much for following me. And Bonza, fuck, man. Literally absolutely tore my ears to bits. Fucking hell. And then some random guy says Brokey. Come on. Please. Private account. Dylan, best mindset according to social skills. Hello, Tom. What do you think about XRP? Got no thoughts on XRP. Thoughts on today? What do you mean thoughts on today? What are the thoughts I'm thinking about? Like, what are we talking about? Elizabeth? That looks like fucking AI. What do services do you trade on? I trade on, I don't know what you mean by services. Is this AI? No. MetaTrader 4, if that's what you're talking about. Blackwell Markets is my broker. Hello, Food Muncher. Wait, so Thought, I don't know if you're still in Kick, but do you now have a VIP badge? Should have a VIP badge. How'd you decide to be? Liquidity sweep, break for ride my ears, didn't like them anyways. Let's go. Fuck TikTok off, come over to the green up. Yes. Who's Mr. Breezy? Who's Mr. Breezy? Mick, you wait for sweep in Asian liquidity. Yeah, so Asian session got swept, high time frame got swept, and then just wait for it to break structure on the 5 minute. Alrighty. Funded next. Yeah, apparently they're alright. Tony. What do we have? So I hope you've been well. I've been fantastic. Thank you very much. Natty Games. Thank you very much for following me. Tony, what's Tony? Hey, kind of new to trading. Welcome. Any questions? Let me know. Join the Discord, message me, all that shit. What do you think about XRP? Got no thoughts on it. Did brother sweet? Okay, thank you. So I didn't hear it. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I've been on my traveling setup. Hopefully I'll be back with my PC soon. Yes, I did see you were moving, weren't you? I saw that on your stream. You were moving to Sydney, I think, or some shit. DJ In You Rise, thank you very much for following me. Ricky, thank you. Just started day trading, trying to change my life generationally. Fuck yeah, let's go. Good job. Let me have a look. All right, sweet. I don't know how it works. Would Forex be the same as indices? Or what is your thought about indices? Have you ever tried it? Forex is vastly different to indices, and I traded indices for about 1.5 years, and I'll probably start trading indices again very soon because the prop community keeps asking me to do prop, and I'm trying to just... People are just going to keep using it, right? They're going to keep using it, and then they're going to go to someone else, and someone else is going to give some bullshit, and then they're just going to fucking blow their account in 2 seconds. So I'm thinking about how I can go about this the right way. When I have my Blackpool broker set up, how do you deposit it? What's your way? I tried Nutella. I did bank transfer. I'm pretty sure you can do bank transfer, but I haven't deposited in a while. I'll check my transactions. I might have actually done them like a while ago. Like, dude, I haven't deposited money in fucking forever. I've only taken it out. Are you fucking kidding me? You have to be fucking kidding me. Made me log in again. History. Yeah, credit debit card. I don't think I ever did that on, like, fucked with it with anything else. So, yeah. How long have you been trading for? 5 years. I'm pretty sure, so with the Nutella and the fucking other things, I'm pretty sure you get like fees or something. They charge fucking shit fees, so I never did it. I'm pretty sure. I can't really remember. Should you start on a funded account? Absolutely fucking not. Yeah, moving to Sydney, I'll be back soon enough. Brizzy's where it's at. Yeah, we never had that fucking drink. Gotta do that. Weeble, good broker, no idea. Black Bull's fucking where it's at. Links in my bio. What's the best way to start? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio and watch the beginner's video. Do you know anything about XRP? Not really. Where are you from? Brisbane? Yeah, understandable. It would have been when you first start. Yeah. Well, I've hopped brokers a couple of times. Taking it out, coming in, fucking, you know what I mean? I'm sure it was so much easier back then. Yeah, I don't know, do they still do? Yeah, they do. Because I left the broker. Oh no, my capital's still in there. That was a different. Yeah, I don't know. Surely they should. Do you know about XRP crypto? No. Fucking hell, the XRP today. Birder Boy, thank you very much for following me. You've been trading for 5. How many of them have been profitable for? 3 to 3.5. So it took me 2 years of demo trading before I put a cent of my money in. I was literally demo for 2 fucking years. And then I found my mentor about a year and a half in, and this is like approximate figures, right? So about a year and a half in, I found my final mentor who I learned a lot from, and then 6 months of education, and then money in. Gotcha, I'm in the middle of that right now. It's really hard to deposit, I know that. No, depositing's not hard. Depositing's not hard at all. I've never had issues with deposits. You just gotta, it's always the verification processes that are just annoying as fuck, and it's like that with every single fucking broker. It is a fucking nightmare, because they have to do so much shit to verify you, you know? Because there's lots of money laundering and all of that sort of shit that people can try and do through these sorts of things. So they all have strict verification processes. You just hit $3 an hour ago. I recommend searching it. Yeah, I mean, bro, like, it's just hype, man. I don't. Doesn't. I don't know. It just doesn't really do it for me. I just don't really care, to be honest. So I'm super new. How do I demo trade? I just put 10. Yeah, 10 bucks, nowhere near enough. You gotta open an account with a broker, download their version of MetaTrader 4 or TradingView, whatever. Go on TradingView, do whatever you want to do, whatever platform, and then you'll be able to trade. Yes, that's what I'm doing right now. It's so confusing. Well, we can go through it if you want. You work too or just day trade? Fuck no, I don't work. Absolutely fucking not. All right, kick. Back to kick. Let's go. Fucked it. Who's Mr. Breezy? Yeah. Oh, it's Trailholders. Yep, you were asking earlier. Yes. Where are you? Up here somewhere. Yeah, I haven't even put it in the fucking Discord yet. I'm gonna have to put the link in the Discord and everything. I just hate plugging shit. I fucking hate plugging shit. Makes me desperate. Bro, Tom, you can't deny it all you want, but the charts don't lie, yeah? Yeah. A few more sessions of sweeping the little Japanese Met, and I'll be buying a Brabus Big Boy 1200. Look it up. Did you meant to say Brabus? Brabus Big Boy 1200. Yeah, Brabus. What the fuck is that? I don't know. Brabus did fucking trucks. Then I'll slowly make my outside Toms and just stare at his window. Get ready. Oh man, can't see it. Damn, there should be a VIP thing there. Let me make sure that I did it. VIPs. Those creations. Yeah. Maybe it's the color that you are. Because I don't know, like, I did that, you're the only VIP, but you're the only one that's like gold too, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Tom, look up Blackpool in England. It's the most beautiful place. Blackpool, I highly fucking doubt that. Anything happened? Iran trying to stay fucking relevant. Shut up. Bali, yeah, bro. Holy shit. Fucking could have fooled me. Watch time. Damn, no watch time. No, man, I can't see it. What's watch time? What? What's watch time? Doesn't matter anyway, you're the VIP. That really matters to all of us. Thank you, thank you. Imagine having a job. Oh, yeah, fuck that. Yeah, true. Yeah, sorry, I wasn't meant to say that. J*B. It's necessary, yep. Whenever you say Blackpool, what the fuck? Why is it saying this? Okay. I just think sweeping liquidity. That's actually fucking funny. That's very funny. Sierra Free. So, if you're trying to join through the link in my bio, open it into an external browser. But if you choose the free option on WAP as well, that'll just send you the link. Like, that's just for people that can't get in, or it was originally what I had for a point of contact to get into the Discord. So it's still there, but the VIP is the mentorship, and that's paid for. So unless you're looking at doing that, choose the free one. But if you just click the link in my bio and then open it in an external browser, then that'll work. Sorry about that, Sierra, though. I didn't see. How do I start? Join my Discord and watch the beginner's video. Rawageza Solgo, thank you very much for following. Quarter short on AU after the gap. At open? Yeah. Oh my god, yuck. Like up, I mean, fuck, you would have wanted to be up here, I guess, or waited for the gap fill and then smack back down. Good morning, has Bitcoin hit resistance? What resistance would it be hitting? There's nothing up there. We still got the US session. Yeah, I need membership too. Oh, well, it's $47 a month. If you join, you get a lot of shit, and we'll jump in a call ASAP. If you have any more questions, just message me and ask. It's what I'm here for. When should we buy Bitcoin again? At like fucking $40,000. In a day, do you normally make or lose? Almost every day is a green day. Almost every day. How much do you personally make weekly? Yeah, I'd say that. People already ask me for fucking money. It's annoying, so I just don't say it. Well, that's actually not the reason. That is really not the reason, but it's becoming a thing, and I don't like it. But I can't really share the things that, because so I don't have an AFSL. So an AFSL is a Australian Financial Services license, which allows you to do these sorts of things. And if you're not careful, you'll get fined hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you'll be banned from ever fucking doing this shit ever again. So I have to be very careful about what I say. Money is something I cannot say. I'd seek legal advice. Fucking, bro, it was just a fucking absolute shit show. So I'm very cautious with what I say. I got a bunch of do's and don'ts, and saying anything regards to money, I just do not say. But as well, I don't say it because I fucking, people are messaging me for money. It's on its way down. Potentially. Josh and I don't know what that says. Thank you very much for following me. What up, Sleepy? Welcome back. How's it going? I'm good. Look, what are we laughing at? 16 live. Congrats, man. Thank you very much. Bro, do you know who was the ACT Forex guy? No idea. I don't know if my message went through, but I have 2.2 thousand at 16. I don't know how to start. If you're 16, you'll be doing education for 2 years. You won't be able to get a broker until you're 18. So if trading's something you're interested in, educate yourself and be an absolute weapon by the time you turn 18. What you trade? Forex stocks, Forex currencies only at the moment. I was trading indices for a year and a half, but since doing all of this shit, I just don't. Upside down question mark and Mari boy, thank you very much for following me. What's the best to trade? In my opinion, I prefer Forex because it's the best for my strategy. Mr. Lopez, how's it doing, boss? What up, dang? Bro, it's been a while. I'm good. I'm good. I'm fucking fantastic. Hey, man. Whoa, fuck it. And Liam Hill, thank you guys very much for following me. London, New York session is open. Would you live trade? I'm practicing my strategy on it now. New York session's not open. What's your strategy? Was that you fucking talking today, actually? Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. Brocky, yeah. Sorry, fuck. I'm still a bit, you know, from the weekend, but yeah, absolutely, you can. Yeah, so you probably actually saw. I don't know if you did, actually. No, I don't think you did. But I had those levels marked out. What was it on? Aussie yen. I had those levels marked out. It was from the second red candle from here. I'm pretty sure. What up, Patrick? Sorry, let me go to kick again. I apologize. Let me go. Keep the color of it, Mr. Orange. That's funny. Press emoji logo. Press emoji logo and press 3 dots and badges. Need another nutter on like that delusional dickhead. Need a good laugh. Oh, bro, I so would. I so would. Ah, yes, the Bitcoin resistance. Wait, what the fuck? Forgot crypto uses trendline resistance. All praise the African art. It's come through. Messaging you for money? That's a low act. Yeah, bro. Literally. It was a fucking chick that I'd never... I mean, there's been a couple instances, but this one caught me off guard. It was a chick that I spoke to fucking 2 years ago. Fucking messaging me, asking me for money and shit. Get the fuck out of here. Can you say how much you make in using crayons as currency? Kind of like crayons US dollar. Just curious on crayons. Fuck. Dogs, yeah, I know. I'm jealous of that VIP color. Yeah, he's well, he's in the mentorship, so he gets the VIP. Bro, like if people like need money, like I don't even want to say this because it just sounds like cocky and self-promoting, so I don't think I'm going to. But yeah. Yeah, I can. Yeah. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to deep dive into this guy, but I can usually tell pretty quickly. What was it? ACT Forex, was it? ACT Forex. Okay, well, straight up. Okay, maybe he didn't say anything. I don't know, just his Twitter. I've got no idea who the fuck this guy is. He's got 3,000 fucking followers. I mean, subscribers on YouTube. That's like you asking people who the fuck I am. I'll have to take a look a little bit later so I can watch one of his videos, but I'll keep that up. I'll keep that up. Yeah, I honestly don't know. Looks a bit... I don't know. I'll have to watch a video. Fuck, okay, hold up. Let me go back to kick. If you needed money, get a... Not a word that we don't say, simple. Yeah. No, don't get a job, get a laptop, get internet and electricity from the nearest Starbucks and load trading. When you're ready, start begging money and invest that into a funded challenge and boom, millionaire. Censor it hurts. That's funny. That's actually so funny. I love Kick. Kick's funny. You guys are fucking proper, like, pulling your weight in the chat. And how many people we got watching? We got some more people. Fucking, we got 19 followers on Kick. I don't know what that means, but we got 19 followers on Kick. It hurts. Feels like you're kicking the balls. Your balls. Kick's good. I like Kick. Oh my god, look at this absolute fucking... Get him out of here! Get him out. Shit. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. That's strategy. We'll go through it later. I'm back now, mad. Tom, what's good? Not much. How are you? How long have you been doing this, and how long did it take you to get good? I've been doing it for about 5 years, and to get good, 2 years. How you doing? I'm good. How are you? Bro, good morning. What up, CK? What's your own strategy, Tom? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean version of martingale. I'm from Tanzania. Mad. Welcome. We back, Patrick. What's good? CK, thank you very much for following me. You have a question? What's up? What strategy? I just said that. How much time a day do you spend trading? Like, do you work like a traditional job? No. I spend more time on... I spend more time... I did. More time in the community now than I do on actual trading. 1 to 3 hours, probably, on trading. Outside of when I'm streaming, because obviously when I'm streaming, I can pay attention to what's going on. I mean, I don't really usually all the time, but because my stuff isn't, you know, really, you gotta watch every single fucking ticker, it's a bit more chill. Do you trade 5 minute or 1 minute? 5 for entries, hourly, high time frame, hourly. Say it. So what? Because I practiced 5 minutes this whole time. Yeah. As a beginner, you should probably be looking at the 15-minute chart. 4 hour high time frame, 15-minute low time frame entries. But 5 minute lower time frame, 1 hour high time frame works. Sorry, Daniel, I was just catching up. XRP, nah. Just having lines help you trade better. Blah, it's caffeine. Self-promotion on Tom's live is prohibited. Yeah, like, what the fuck? It's obviously bullshit anyway. Like, it's such a horseshit. It's just it'll be a scammer. Anyone that comes in and self-promotes is 99.9 times out of 100, it's going to be a scammer. Let's look at the guidelines. Tom, get this guy out of here. Yeah, I did. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. All good, all good. When trading, can you sell at any point, or do you have to wait till your order hits? You can sell at any point. I don't. King JR88, thank you very much for following me. What Forex currency do you trade, and is it one all day? I trade 18 different currency pairs. Anything Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, CAD, pound, euro. I trade pound Swiss, and US dollar yen also. Sierra, thank you very much for following me. If you had to start over day trading, where would you begin? I'd probably do the exact same thing that I did do. Fuck, sorry. Like if I started over, let's just say flat broke, still had the, oh shit, we had a, oh dang, sent me a heart me, thank you. Sorry, I didn't see that. Let's just say I went flat broke, still had the knowledge, right? I'd go out and go get 15 different jobs and just work and just build an account up. Like just build as much money as possible and then just quit and do exactly what I've been doing. How to deposit? You need a broker. So I've got a broker. Well, I mean, where are you from? What country are you from? What time is it for you? 9 p.m. I've just started. Do you think I should just practice on a demo account or get some more knowledge? Bro, demo accounts are fantastic. You will gain a lot of knowledge from looking at the markets move. South Africa. You could try black bull markets. You need a broker though. If you want to deposit money, you need a broker. Let me just check black bull in South Africa. Because I don't know. Some brokers have restricted countries. I'm just going to make sure. Yeah, just use Black Bull Markets. Black Bull Markets is the broker that's linked to my bio. I've been with them on and off for pretty much the entire time I've been live trading. Even before, actually, too, I was using Black Bull when I was demo still. So I'd give them a crack. Links in my bio. If you're looking to actually deposit and start trading, probably them. But if you're new, I recommend demo trading anyway. South Africa. Do lines and boxes on a screen determine where price moves? No. Fundamentals and banks and institutions buying and selling the assets, and when there's an imbalance in the amount of buyers versus the sellers, that's when the price moves. Just because there's a box on the fucking screen doesn't mean shit. We can look at these sorts of things for targets where price may drive towards, say, support and resistance, gaps in the market, fucking a million different things you can look at for potential market movers, but you never really know, because how the fuck are you meant to know whether a hedge fund manager is going to drive the price in one direction? Do you wake up and trade Aussie dollar yen at 7 a.m? Fuck no. That's like when I go to sleep. Yeah, I even opened the Discord and said, okay, I'll DM you the link. Fuck, how do I do this? How do I get my link? How do I get my link? How do I get my fucking link? Oh, I'll just do this. Just copy this message and then just put it in a, just put it in like your fucking Safari or some shit. I'll just make sure that it works too. Yeah, it's working. Fuck, I think we got a lot of members today in the Discord. Holy shit, we did. What the fuck? We'll go through that in a second. It's saying the link is expired. Can someone else try and use the link in my bio for the Discord and tell me if it's working or not? Thanks, all good. I'm Kai Kai and Hammy the Uncrowned Coffee King. Thank you very much for following me. Okay, thank you. All good. You have a completely different schedule to me. I might have to change it up. The market is so bad today, I guess. Yeah, it's a bit, I mean, it's a bit hectic. Okay, bet. Oh, sweet. It was very hard to read today. Yeah, a lot of new people are coming in and yeah, there was a lot of news today. There was just a shitload of news. All right, thank you to Amy, Hunter, JL, Demon, Kiko, Big Mama's House, Newports, Donkeyfella, LX, N, YY Master, Breezy, Lisa Wendy, and Plug for joining the Discord. Welcome. Talk some shit in the community chat. Fucking talk about whatever. I love when the community chat starts fucking starts going off. It's my favorite. All right, let's have a look at Kick. Sorry guys, had to fucking do some TikTok shit. Oh wait, so Tom, you aren't woke? Yeah, but I got pregnant not long ago, so they have to come off for a bit and then I'll stable it back on. Could you explain briefly what you're looking at? If you're still in here, I'm just looking at the charts. It's Aussie dollar, JPY, FX pair. So is this way better to look at on Kick? Okay, so now I can say what I think about the men. Okay, I can't say that. So everyone, okay, I can't say that. Watching from an insane asylum, ooh, but I don't ever say ooh again. Ooh. Someone follow me real quick. Someone follow me. Ooh. Adrian Moodley, thank you very much for following me. I had a flashback from that crazy old friend. Oh, that was, no, when he told me, okay, I can't say that. I tried getting into your chocolate star, the Chocky Starfish. Trying to convince you to be, I can't say this shit. I think I'll just give him PTSD. I'm on my way to the bush. Oh shit, that got deleted. AI mod. I put 0 restrictions on for our chat. Oh dear, it must have been good. It kick censored it, yeah. It was. You're on the right page, maybe. Right, guys, oh, what the fuck? Okay, I don't know. If you're sensitive, do not go to the Kick chat because it's actually fucked. I can't even say half this shit. You can't repeat much on here. No, I can't, bro. I literally can't say anything. What the fuck? That is so fucked. The Kick is linked in my bio too if you want to go read some absolutely fucked up stuff. Holy shit. What the fuck? Oh my god, that could have been bad. If this was full, my keyboard was gone. It's already fucked. It starts double typing shit. I tried and it's not working as well. What's it saying? Because I've had a bunch of people join. So I don't know what it could be. Why the fuck can't you guys join the fucking Discord? What the fuck? Ah! Alright, give me a second. My fucking dishwasher just turned on. So you guys might be able to hear that. Maybe not. It's fucking, how the fuck do you work this thing? Bro, I'm so bad with Discord. How do I run a fucking Discord community? It's because people have mods. I don't know. Invites. Okay. It should still be working. Should still be working. Like it should still be working. I don't know what's happening. What happens when it says link expired? Really? I just clicked the link and it said it was fine. Like it put me through. Yeah, I'll chuck a different link in. I'll chuck a different link in so you guys can join. Just give me a second. So settings, invites. How do I even, fuck, this annoys me. Oh, this pissed me the fuck off, I'm not gonna lie. Not you guys, just this stupid, like, why is it so fucking hard to get into a fuck, like, you know what I mean? Alright. There's the link. Not approved? How? How is that not approved? Please explain how that's not approved. Oh, you absolute... Alright. Approve. There we go. I think that'll work. If, actually, no. You get rid of this invite thing, I think. I think this is it. Holy shit. I'm going to actually have an aneurysm in a second. Don't spill your drink again. Yeah, I know. Swear all this water just wants to okay, but now kind of anyone like fencing, Jesus, don't get me started on that. Easy solution, stand charts, make money and move to some place with its head screwed on. Dubai. So many people move to fucking Dubai. Okay, hopefully that fucking worked, because holy shit. Tell me if that link works. Nearly 100 viewers in here. Yeah, we're low-key kind of popping off tonight. We got 92 followers so far. Our likes are kind of lacking, to be honest. You know, the past couple of times we've been close to like 100k likes, but I mean, it's fucking fine with me. Currently learning how to trade. I've learned a lot so far, but have a long way to go. Fantastic, good job. How much does this broker take when you trade? Literally fuck all. I don't know off the top of my head, but it's virtually nothing. Okay, I'm in now, thanks. All good. So that link worked? Okay, I don't even fucking know. Might have to make the kick transfer. Yeah, bro, get in kick. It's actually pretty fucking lit. Adrian Moodley, thank you very much for following me. What up, Cheers and Chong? How you going? Welcome back. You in Queensland? Yeah, Brizzy. Up 360 on demo. Good job. Nearly 100 viewers in here. What the fuck? Yeah. Can you please explain what a broker is and does? Well, the broker connects you to an exchange where you can buy and sell financial assets, essentially. Without a broker, you can't trade. Ethereum going up. Yep. Copy it into your browser, or you need to update Discord. Either way, it says link expired. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully that new one works. Usama Afsar, thank you very much for following me. Fush, thank you very much for following me. Rage, thank you very much for following me. How do you make cash on this? I'm new to this. Well, you buy or sell with your strategy, in line with your strategy's bias, and if it goes in your direction, you make money. In the simplest form. Dennis and Aaron, thank you very much for following me. And Ritu Shopping. How long did it take you to learn, and how did you get started? It took me a year and a half to 2 years to learn, and I can't remember how I got started, to be completely honest. Oh, I like that kissing, the cat kiss gif thing. That's cool. I'm in, cheers. No man, FX VIP signal. Thank you for following me. I teach you how to trade without risk. Get out of here, brother. Xander and Sienna, what's up? Xander. Oh God. How bad was it? How bad was it? How bad was it? Fuck. Oh God. I need my phone. I need my phone literally thrown off a balcony when I start to drink. Like legit, bro. Get that thing the fuck away from me. As long as it wasn't too fucked, we're all good. More than an hour? Are you fucking serious? Dude, I thought it was like 5 minutes. Bro, what?
Anyone.
Holy shit, we did. Bro, no, one of my girlfriend was like, what the fuck are you doing? That's funny as fuck. I have a question for you. Can I make $50,000 from $100? Most likely not. Le Timid. Thank you very much for following me. Yes, meme coin. That's it. 907 springtime. What's your girlfriend's name? Alexis. What's up? What up? How are we? Kick. Is there such a place in the world? Yes. Countryside in Poland will do me good. Zero immigration policy, and the bald dads control the societies. Sorry. Society's norms. What's not to love? I'll start saving now. Yeah, that's fantastic. I can't wait. You can just buy shitloads of land for fairly cheap pricing. Bro, I love the Eastern European vibe. Like, so sick. I don't know. I just love it. I've seen that. Good on Poland. Smartest baldies out there. They don't care what other countries think of their smart decisions either. Good on Poland. Tom, add a bot. How do I do that? Like, what do I do to add a bot? How do I... Bro, I have so many fucking things open. Channel? Community, studio, achievements, settings, community, roles. Bro, I don't even know. Roles, access, display. Dude, I don't know how to add a bot. I don't know what the fuck. There's the AI moderation, which I've left it unfiltered. But that's about it. Like, I don't know how else to fucking do it. Yeah, I don't know. I can see it's unfiltered. Yeah, I did that today. That's a really cute name. Is how can you be sure that it's not? What was the question again? It's almost impossible and probably not going to happen unless you get lucky on like a meme coin. Where to start first? Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and then watch the beginner's video. It was so funny, bro, but I appreciate everything you said. No, I remember what I said, and I meant it. But yeah, holy shit, we've almost got 100 people in here. Let's fucking go. If you're not following, follow. Come on. We're trying to hit fucking 5,000 followers by what? The end of next week, maybe? What are you trading? Forex currencies? We can call after you finish with the stream. Yeah, if I have time, we can. What's your suggested market to trade? I know you do 18, but what's an easy one to learn off? Probably Euro USD. Although Euro USD right now is pretty fucked, but that'll give you a good understanding of, because most of the major news events happen with the euro or the US dollar. So you can see how the market reacts to certain different economic events. Is Bitcoin gonna sweep liquidity? I don't know. Hi, new here. Do you trade live daily? Yep, every day, Monday to Friday. Some Sundays if I'm alive. What are you trading? Forex currencies? Tay, thank you very much for following me. You British? No, I'm Australian. Can you trade without a broker? Is it necessary to trade? No, you need a broker. Andre King, thank you very much for following me. Carlos, thank you very much for following me. I gotta go laters. Yeah, if I have time, I'll give you a buzz. How long did it take you to become profitable? 2 years. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Like I've just checked, you can pretty much buy a forest for £1,000. Really? Where can you get an entire forest? Yeah, that's fucking crazy. Nice. Do you coach? Yeah, I have a mentorship program. What is happening right now? I didn't like that song. That was fucking weird. Bro, I don't know how to add a fucking bot to Kick. I'll do it after. Otherwise, I'll be sitting here for the next fucking 17 hours. I make 20K off my online coaching course today. I don't know if I believe that. And if you are, you're probably ripping people the fuck off. But, I mean, if you're not, you could just buy, you do you. Good job. Okay, yeah, it was number one. I didn't even need to search it up. Thanks, I'll learn my strategy on it. Easy, bro. Seth, thank you very much for following me. Gold. I don't trade gold. I got fucking absolutely no idea. How does it look like? What do you mean, how does it look like? Carlos? What do you mean by that? Been trading options, but I want to get back into Forex. Fair enough. Well, yep, I'm live every day. Come in, ask questions. Do you use indicators? Yeah, I use a few indicators. It's sus because it's a lot, but thank you. Yeah. Thoughts on Daniel Holmes? I've spoken to him a couple of times. He's cool. I like him. We talk every now and again, and fucking good on him for moving to Dubai and all that shit. No idea how he actually fucking trades. I just know he trades gold. Whenever people come in here asking for gold shit, I mean, sometimes I'm just like, just go follow him. I don't fucking know. But yeah, we speak every now and again. He's cool. He used to live around the corner from me. Your coaching, how's it like? Like what's it like? Like what's in there, or like what? I'm kind of confused. I apologize. Trying to figure out what you mean by that. I can give you a rundown though. So if that's what you're asking, because honestly, I'm not too sure. So I got the community. I charge fuck all for what I actually give, because I don't really fucking care. about like the money that comes from that. I do like one-on-one coaching for free. So jump in a call with me, have a yap, go through the processes and have a look at stuff. Like we'll screen share and have a face-to-face call or whatever. And I do that. I try and do that with everyone. Some people just don't really want to do that, and that's okay. But I try and do that with everyone so I know where everyone's at and help them one-on-one. Plus, you know, I get... that's funny. Plus... Fuck. I have like 5-6 hours of video content. I developed an expert advisor. If you know about trading, you probably know what an expert advisor is, which is like a trading bot. I developed my own, and I've developed a few indicators from scratch, which they also get for free. So it's pretty, I mean, fuck, people charge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for bots. They get it for free. So that's kind of like the rundown. Obviously, you've got all the course material, right? Like the strategy breakdown, fundamentals, fucking setting up all the accounts and everything. But I still want to do one-on-ones with people because some people respond better to that sort of thing. And you get the bot and all the indicators and everything. So... yes, that's like the rundown. There's a lot of reversals in Euro USD, yeah. Yes, Birchall pin, that's funny. Yes, I do. What time frame do you use? I use 1 hour for my high time frame bias and 5 minutes for my entries. You! Fuck, that was a bit loud. Hopefully no one heard me. Kick. Let's have a look at kick. Damn, bro, leaked his garage. Tom, can I send you a link through the chats on Apple User on TikTok? It's the land for sale I just found. Holy shit, I'd full send if I had the money. Yeah, it's only 10 acres. For $1 million for 10 acres? Oh, that's pounds. So it'd be like what? 1 point fucking. No, that's not right. Holy fuck. What did I miss? Yeah, okay. So it's like 2 million Australian dollars. Oh, 250k. Oh, okay. I was like, what the fuck? Where do I go to TikTok? Too fat. Tofit. I don't know. Thank you very much for following me. What if I've got no clue how to trade? That's why I got the trading for beginners video. That's free on YouTube, and it's just literally the complete bare minimum basics. And if you've got no clue how to trade, we go through that too. You know, get in a fucking call with me. I'll sit there for. There's no time limits or any of that shit. You can sit on a call with me for hours. I've done that. I've sat in calls for hours and hours and hours with people that are just starting out, and helped them out. Damn, that's pretty fucking nice. Not bad, not bad. That's pretty cheap too. Damn, that's a huge fucking lake. Holy shit. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like. Wait, Mick, you aren't a millionaire. It's funny. What sessions do you trade? I don't trade specific sessions. I trade all of them. Is that something like QQE mod at the bottom of the graph? No. That's RSI. How do you join a call? You got to be in the mentorship for that. Thoughts on Mara today? I don't even know what that is. I watched it all the other night. It's really easy because it's somewhat hard in Australia, but I'm nearly all set up because of Tom. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's a very, so the Trading for Beginners video is a very like, I tried, oh bro, I cannot watch it again. Like it drives me fucking nuts. Like listening to myself talk like that. And in half of the mentorship videos, I can't fucking stand myself talking because I try and like, I try and talk like slower and more direct, which is not, I don't know. I struggle to talk slower. So when I listen back to it, I'm like, what the fuck? it's weird. So to me, it drives me insane, to be honest. But yeah, hopefully it's good value. A lot of people said they got some pretty good value out of it, so that's all that matters. That was like one of my first videos that I ever made too, so it's not like fucking, I should probably do it again. We still got 10 viewers on fucking Kick. If you're on Kick and you're not following me, please follow. Because we're trying to pop off on Kick, so sort me out, please, motherfuckers. Bro, the amount of spam fucking messages I get. Ooh. I'll even sell my crayons, full port the house. That's funny. God, I honestly don't feel like stopping streaming. Like, we got fucking shitloads of people in here. I seriously just do not feel like stopping. I want to do like a fucking 6-hour stream. Like, that's what I feel like doing. Just because we're kind of popping off and like, shit's good. I don't know what Mara is. Live trade. But I pretty much am. Like I'm in trades right now. God, that would be fucking nice if we gap fill. That's why we came down. God damn it. Oh no, it was that. Broker bullshit. Right then, time to rug pull every pound pair. Fuck. This one's annoying me. I'm just gonna hide screen for 1 second. Just wanna check if I took profit on anything. Not so far. Ooh, we can have a look at that though. Let's have a look at this. Give me 1 second. We are in okay profit in this. Like, we could take this, but I don't know if I... Nah, fuck that. We're probably gonna bounce off of here, eh? I would not be surprised. If we can break through that, that would be a lovely... A lovely big short. But it's just so risky with the Canadian dollar. It's so fucking risky with tariffs and everything. Fucking who knows what's going to happen. Do you have any insight on tomorrow's CPI? Look, it's a difficult one because of tariffs. Are you talking about CAD, CPI? There will most likely be a drop, right? I find it pretty hard to believe that we're going to get such a big drop. It'll be negative, but I don't know if it'll be 0.2%. That's the, so year on year, probably, or are you talking about US CPI? US CPI, I don't really know. Slight increase on inflation makes sense. They're probably spot on there. But the CAD, I don't know. I don't think it's going to be 0.2. I think they're going to miss the mark on that one. And it's going to be just a tad higher than that. But seriously, we're just going to have to wait and see. Seriously, just going to have to wait and see. Time to build that Rick Ross house low key. Have you seen his house? I don't want that kind of money. I'm having that kind of money. I don't care how many crayons I'll have to sell. Jesus Christ. Okay. Do you have any other sources of income? Any other stream of income? Oh, not really. I have like the mentorship and everything, but bro, you wouldn't even call that a source of income. Like I make like nothing on that. Like literally nothing. I could maybe pay for my groceries for like a month or some shit. Like I do not make much from that. Your screen is crazy. Can't see your candles there. Sorry. What were we looking at? We're looking at this, eh? Yeah, it's just, I did have it zoomed in a little bit more. Like we could do some shit like that, but I feel like that's just gonna look shit. Like, I guess you can always just go to fucking, you can always just go to Kick and look at the full screen. Wink, wink, you know? But yeah, sorry about that, Carlos. Does the mentor come with the bot? Because because if so, it's cheap as chips. Yes, I know. Buyers will come in for sure. It always happens. I don't even know what we're talking. Oh, right, yeah. Theater coaching, yep. Fed Brian, thank you very much for following me. We got one of the Federal Reserve guys in here. Should have got on Fartcoin. Yeah, I'm fucking right. I'm still thirsty. Okay, so have we done any of TikTok's fucking required shit today? Oh, bro, I do not want to do this live match shit. Not gonna lie. Well, we've got that for sure. The 35 average concurrent viewers, which I'm getting 200 fucking coins for. 20k minutes of views. We actually might hit that. Go live in 6 days. I don't know. Live for 1,000 minutes, maybe 165,000 likes. Not getting that today. Go live for 180 minutes. We're gonna hit that today. We're gonna hit that 3 hours. We'll hit that for sure. We will hit that for sure. Can you guys hear the music all right? I think I asked this earlier, but I feel like it's gonna be really low for you guys. How's the coaching work? Fuck. So I literally just explained it for like ages. Fuck. So it's a monthly subscription-based purchase. You get the bot that I've developed. You get one-on-ones with me whenever, you know, we're both free. We can jump in a call and everything. You get hours and hours and hours worth of the course material. You get the full strategy breakdown. You get breakdown of fundamentals, why the market moves, all that stuff, how to set everything up. It's all in there. What's XRP going to do in the next 5 years? I don't know. No one knows. What platform do you trade on? MetaTrader 4? Be at $5. Apakah gap di platform satu beta dengan gap di platform lain. Kenapa dia bro? Go doobie, holy stress. I don't touch that shit. Yuck. Kelvin Hank, thank you very much for following me. CoinSpot safe. I think so. I don't know, I've never used it. But I've heard of it. And yeah, I think so. Yeah, I might need to... I apologize. Nah, it's all good. I was just like, fuck, I just explained it. Don't apologize. Don't apologize. I just probably shouldn't have reacted like that. That's on me. But yeah. No, I need to get used to like repeating myself, because I repeat myself about a lot of stuff and it's not any of your fault. Like, you just probably weren't in here when I fucking explained it. That's fine. Brock, I just accepted your message request too. Accept the friend request. I don't know who this is, but I accept everyone's friend request. Yeah. That's on Discord, by the way. And if you're not in the Discord, get in. It's trading hard. At the beginning, it's not easy. Yeah. I swear you said last stream. I swear you said last light. Never mind, my bad. I appreciate you, man. Oh no. I punched darts like hectically. That's probably why I look fucking stressed, because I need a fucking dart. Like how long are we gonna fucking stream for tonight? Can we do polls on here? Can we do a fucking poll? Oh shit, I feel like we can. Poll. Can I like... Okay, fuck. The smiley face is fucking go for another half an hour. The sad face is is go have a fucking break. Go. Go. Is that how it works? Can you guys even see it? Okay, yeah, you can. Do I go for 30 more minutes? Can you guys actually fucking... How does this work? Bro, I don't know how this works. Is everyone in here a fucking bot? How hard is it to click a button? How does it work? This was terrible. 3 fucking people voted. That's embarrassing. Okay, so my balcony looks really excellent to go skydiving off with no parachute. Ever seen the film Parasite? It's like the house I will have. Yeah, dude, I love that. It's not delusional. It's just a quick use of the law of attraction. Yep. I love that. I guess I'm just gonna go in like 15 minutes. Gonna make like a banana and split. You know any trades? Yeah, heaps. We went through all of them earlier. If you want to go have a look, go to Kick and then just go back in the stream. Can you go back in the stream on Kick? Actually, I should probably fucking ask that before I... Like, can you rewind the fucking stream? If you're not following on Kick, fucking follow. You can just rewind to when I go through all my trades if you want. I'm the Uncrowned Coffee King. Smiley face, keep going. Okay, well the get off fucking won, so hit 1200 TP on the first day on the Express account. W, good job. Wow, I'm not. What? Day traders are scammers? The majority of them are, 100%, yeah. I agree. I feel like what you were doing was trying to have a dig at me, but I actually agree with you completely. And what do you know? Fucking no contact, fucking fake account. Don't you, wait. You literally followed me before. Huh? Just literally followed me earlier. How much do you make a day? It changes every day, but I don't talk about that anyway. Why do you use Kick, not Twitch? I don't know. Is Twitch a good platform? I don't fucking know. Short gold? No idea. I don't trade gold. Which concepts do you use? I presume that's like some ICT terminology. Yeah. Predict gold now. Fucking hell. Speedy, what's good? What's good? Hi. What the fuck? We just went from 10 viewers on Kick to 4 viewers. What the fuck? Wait. Mod actions. What? Dude, I have no idea what this is. I'm just like spamming this shit. I have no idea what I just did. Oh, that's just... Oh my god, I'm an idiot. What platform do you use to trade? MetaTrader 4. What's your strategy then? It's a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. Zen, thank you very much for following me. Oklahoma Milo, thank you very much for following me. And Chris, Chris, thank you very much for following me. How do you manage taxes? I got into trading this year and dreading doing tax return. Get an accountant. There's bot accounts in Discord trying to be you. Yeah, please just try and report them if you can, because like I can't do anything about it. I don't know who these fucking accounts are. They usually block me, so I literally can't do anything about it because I'm blocked, so I can't even see who they are. So there is like a fucking disclaimer, like the most recent post in announcements is be careful of scammers. But yeah, I just can't do anything about it, really. MT4, thank you, Speedy. How you doing? How you going? How is everything? Haven't you heard of Formula D? Just trade supply and demand. No. I'm sure you have to explain to your bank and go through all of that because you're a day trader. Yep, will do. Bro, just get an accountant. Lion King, thank you very much for following me. But true, thanks. Yeah, all sweet. Yeah, ain't no way I'm doing fucking tax advice on here. I don't even know what disclaimers I'd have to fucking say and do to not get fucked for that one too. So there's just no, get an accountant, got nothing to do with me. Good luck. Lion King, MetaTrader 4. Come on, give me my fucking 180 minutes. There we go. There we go. There we go. We've been streaming for 3 fucking hours. Give me my 180 minutes. Thank you. Give me my fucking 180 minutes. Made me upset. Chris Daddy, thank you very much for following me. Hi, I got lick in compo. What? Same. Nice. Fuck, finally an MT4 trader. Good man, the account hasn't blown. Good stuff. Had 2 hit TP today, really? Yeah, I'm fucking Aussie and New Zealand dollars just, oh bro, stuck in that. I'm like 7%, 7.4% drawdown overall, which is like nothing, and 5.49 of that is in Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar, and it's like, fuck, I would have done drawdown control ages ago if what the fuck am I saying? If I was in more drawdown, but I'm not in fucking like any drawdown, so it's like fuck, do I just hold on to this thing? But I'm in so many lots on this trade that it's like scary. I might have to, even though I don't want to. Oh, it's just fucking annoying. Would the block work on TradingView? No. No. It's coded for MT4 in MQL4 language, so it won't. Tristan, thank you very much for following me. Bro, my pound is doing me 84 on swap fees. It has had a drop though. Yeah, the pound has been getting railed. Absolutely fucking railed. But we are in pretty good positions. We actually went through this earlier. Because I'm in longs on all the pound pairs. These are just fantastic levels for longs. Absolutely fantastic levels. We just got to make sure that, or not make sure, but hope that there is no fundamental fuckery that is going to absolutely cook us. But even like these levels down here, if we can get a couple of days worth of movement to the downside, this is like that's like a 3 monthly low. Yeah, April, that's April's low. And then we bounced off of here in June. And then, fuck, if we get down here, this is just an absolute fucking weapon of an entry. But, is it Euro Pound that you're still in? Absolutely nothing. Thank you very much for following me. Is that why my Blackpool account's taking ages? Because I want to live trade on TradingView? Well, yeah, probably. So if you, I don't know, Speedy, do you remember when you did your live account application, how long it took? Remember, it was the weekend too, and they wouldn't be doing that shit on the weekend. You've got 4 shorts open. Pound yen. Oh. Yeah. I mean, we're looking pretty good in terms of key areas. Like, I don't know if we can really get much better than that. That's pretty fucking spot on. Like, these are the key areas we'd be looking at for a retracement back down. We've got a bit of a flag break off of this move happening. Whether we pop back up or just start driving back down, we'll have to see. Which is kind of crazy because the pound is like extremely weak right now. The fact that it's fucking, the fact that it's rallying is just bizarre. It's been fucking, yeah, I don't know. Was it okay? Alright, yeah. Give me a second. A few days, I think. Pretty quick, I remember. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's true, but it's Monday. Pick it up. Yeah. So what'd you do it on Friday? If it, yeah, I'll have to check. Are you sure it said 24 hours it'll be done? Aussie cat. I'll do that. Just give me a second. You think of long or short? You're thinking long or short during New York session? Well, there's gap fill opportunities, right? If you're talking about like the NASDAQ or whatever, you've got a gap fill opportunity. Fuck, I'm just gonna go to the hour. No, I'll do 15 minutes. You've got a gap fill opportunity here. So this is the difficult thing because tariffs are so bearish. They're horrible for indices. So, an economy and everything, it's just fucking ridiculous. So generally and that's why there was this massive gap, is because of tariffs. Short. So usually when there's big gaps, you get a gap fill and then either a continuation back down or it will just pop, right? Whoa, fuck knows which way this is going. Absolutely no clue, but I presume there'll probably be some volatility at market open. And Aussie dollar CAD. Well, we had a significant push. Now we're coming back and testing support. So whether we can break through this level, not sure. We'll just have to wait. Plus, we've got Canada news tomorrow. The Australian dollar is obviously very strong due to interest rate decision. That's why we have had this significant move up. We've had a little flag break and we're at support right now. So if we can break through this level, we'll just have to wait for CPI tomorrow to see which way this market might move. But also tariff news, like if Trump comes out saying some bullshit about tariffs, it's so risky to be trading right now. How long have you been trading? 5 years. Which indicator is the best? My favorite indicator ever is the RSI. Call me an old-fashioned fucking man. I love it. I'm intrigued and intimidated by trading. Realistically, how long till you can be profitable? Fucking depends on who you learn from and depends how well you learn from them. Like if you learn from someone really good, then it's probably not going to be that long. If you learn from someone who's full of shit and just a scammer, it's going to take a long time. Trade crypto? Absolutely fucking not. Solid no, he does not, sir. Speedy, you have fucking no idea the amount of crypto bros that have been in here today. Holy fuck. I've been asked about crypto probably 70, 80 times. Just because crypto's pumping, it's like, oh my fucking God. Like, Bro, every fucking time. Should I use Arculus? I don't know who that is, and I'm not accepting that. Who are you, and why do you want to join my shit? Should I use Arculus to store my crypto? I don't fucking know. They're trying to sell again, it looks like. On what? CJ, well, thank you very much for following me. I'm thinking of trading with silver. Want to know if it's a good idea. I've never traded silver. Never. Haven't even fucked around on silver, so I wouldn't have a fucking clue, to be honest. Any advice on Euro USD? We had a look at that earlier. I wasn't in it. Right now, I wouldn't even want to be fucking... Maybe longs. See, I got in a trade here and I went straight to TP, outdone. Maybe longs, you'd be looking up to potentially last week's high, but fuck knows what news we're gonna get in the next couple of days. It's just so risky. Obviously, we are significantly been trending for quite some time. We came back down. This is, again, a bit of a flag break. Whether we're going to get the push down that we need and break out of last week's low, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure, but this has been a fucking... I've just been taking trade after trade after trade on this fucking thing. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But see, on a smaller time frame, we're just bouncing off support and resistance here. Broke through last week's low. Fake out. So yeah, I don't know. Euro odd shot up this morning. Yeah. It's a bit chaotic. Everything's chaotic at the moment. It's just, you just gotta be very, everybody just be very careful, especially, man, if fucking Powell retires, oh my God. What the fuck? Good day, please, which time frame do you do your analysis from? Usually 1 hour for better analysis. That's my high time frame that I take entries off. Always happens with all-time highs. Yeah, I know. Like, are you talking about fucking crypto bros and shit? Cheng Yim Hong. Who was that? Oh. John Tom's VIP and run as EA. You'll not regret it. Thank you very much, Speedy. Thank you. I was gonna talk to you about something as well. Fuck, if I have time, I'll message you tonight, but fuck, I gotta get off stream in a second. Sorry. No, don't be sorry. I like, don't be sorry at all whatsoever. I don't know who you are. Like, yeah, I got no idea. Hey bro, where in Australia can I learn Forex trading? I really need some advice and info, please. And then sent 3 times. Speedy, absolutely spot on. Jump in the Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. And then go to... We got a fucking shitload of people join the Discord. Oh shit, sorry. In free course. Watch that. What up, Xander? How are you? Welcome back. But yeah, that's exactly what Speedy's talking about. I also have a mentorship program. Yeah, if you want to get stuck into it, it's probably your best bet. What's your thoughts on crypto? I just not really interested, to be honest. I got one each way because I can't figure out which way it will go either. So you like hedging? I'll rather out. Yep. How long did it Suppose the link is my watch. I explain it. Yep. How long did it take you to become profitable? Like 2 years. I'm back, Mr. Anderson. I'm about to go, bro. I've got so much shit to do, and I gotta get the fuck off stream. We've been here for 3 hours, 15 minutes. All right, thanks. How do I start? Please help. Discord, link to my bio. Jump into the Discord. Fuck, see, this is what I mean. I need to fucking have a 5-minute break, and then watch the Trading for Beginners course, video, boot camp, mentorship, fucking whatever. Vlone Mummy, thank you for following me, and Leighton, thank you very much for following me. I gotta go. I gotta get the fuck off. Doesn't matter what you trade in. Yeah, depends on your strategy. Yeah, it definitely matters. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna jump off Kick. Thank you all the people on Kick that decided to follow me. Welcome the subscribers that I paid for. Like, what the fuck? It's kind of sad, eh? Why you're broke? Come on. Please have a face. Please. Do I do it? This one's pretty bad. Do I do it? Oh shit. That's it. Composure, my guy. Yeah, I know. Anyway, yeah, everyone have a fantastic fucking evening. I'm gonna be back tomorrow, same time, 6:45 p.m. And yeah, we'll go from there. Fuck, I can't even think right now. I've been on this shit for so long. Yeah. Peace, bro. Bro, what the fuck? I literally feel like a vegetable. Oh yeah, thank you everyone for the likes and the gifts. We got a lot of gifts today. Thank you all for the gifts. We got 100. This is my most followed stream ever. We got 122 people follow us this stream, so thank you guys very much for that. Bonza, Dang, Will Clark, Birchop, Thor, Sienna, Sticky. Thank you guys very much for everything. I appreciate it. And I'll do top 3 likers too. Who is up there? Meeksy, 10K. What the fuck? Patrick, 6.5, and Josh, 3.2. Thank you guys very much for all the likes. I appreciate it. And Birchop and Nico. Thank you guys very much for the likes too. Yeah, you guys have a fantastic evening. If you need me, I'll be on Discord. You know the go, blah, blah, blah. I'm having a fucking 10-minute break though. Jesus. And yeah, have a fantastic night. Chat soon, bro. Easy, Lock, Tropper. Thank you guys very much for following me. If you're not following me, follow me so you don't miss any more of these fucking streams. I go live daily. Bro, I lost $4 today. That's my day too. It's all right. It happens. How excited are you trading? I gotta go. All right, see you guys later. Meow.